Alright, boys, girls, and goblins, we should be live any moment now. Yo, alright. So for those of you that have arrived, what we are doing today is we are creating an Undertale fan game where you can fight Nara. Like that's the whole game. That's the whole game. But that's good. We have an idea. We know what we're doing and we're doing it. So welcome. So this is actually the second stream we're doing of that. I've gotten a little bit like progress in between the last stream, but nothing crazy, right? So let's go see what happens. And also, welcome to each and every one of y'all that have popped into the stream. Some of y'all just popped in just now, but yo, welcome. Hi Exist, Yachi D, Bishop Engineering, Alpro XD 561, yo, welcome, Crate, and QT, yeah, bunch of people just popped in. But anyways, welcome each and every one of y'all. Alright, so basically the gimmick, so let's show off what we have now. Like, as a little, like, sample. Let me turn off, like, the little music we're listening to right now. As a little sample, let's show what we have now. So, like, we have an idea of what we're working with. My phone just fell down. I'm reading chat on my phone. Alright. Bing, bing. Alright, so, like, a few things. What are you coding on? The code is just Visual Studio, which is, like, just the built-in. Well, it's not built-in. I think you have to download it, but it's like, very, very common. Why are you streaming this early? Because I want to stream early so I can do homework later on. That's the play. Because I can't do homework early in the day. It just doesn't work out. My brain doesn't let me. Anyways, we have things. So basically, last stream we got Mercy set up. Mercy, well, Spare works fine. Flea's not done, but I won't work on Flea until I get like a lot of the other stuff. This works well. We can take damage and all that stuff. You know, working pretty good. And then like she talks, different dialogue. This goes on. And then the second attack, she does something different, right? Now, she doesn't actually have a third attack program. Well, I have a third attack designed. Like, I can do the third attack, but it just doesn't work. Ooh, that works. I plan on changing that to a blue heart to make that actually like challenging, more like the Sans and Papyrus fight. It's a bit too easy like that. And then I partially implemented the fight button, but not really. Yeah, you can't escape this. You can't escape this menu. Ooh, and that's where we're at for now. That's basically everything. All right, so it'll be a long, dangerous journey trying to get anything else programmed in. But yo, you know, fight. You fight? Well, fight doesn't exist quite yet, so we'll need to get fight set up. Alright, oh my god. See, you're the master procrastinator? See, if I stream now, I can procrastinate while I'm streaming, instead of having to do my work beforehand. See, it's a strategy, Ooh, now we're just gonna figure out how the hell we're gonna do this. So, one of the things we're missing on fight is that we also need a little health bar. That's something Undertale has next, little fight bar, so we need to add that somehow. Thankfully, we already have a health bar programmed in. I think the health bar used in actual game is green? Hold on, let me get Undertale opened up. So we can use Undertale as a reference. Alright, hold on. LMAO. I need to have Undertale as a reference to make the Undertale battle. I'll just get to like a Frogget fight or something. So we need to speedrun like the first minute. I think it's one of our early streams. I used to stream like at 5 o'clock every time for a, what's his face? CBS and P stream. I know we haven't done one of those in a while, so maybe y'all are just like, ooh, it's been a while, but we used to stream early all the time. Alright, should you do homework and watch a stream? You could have the stream playing while you do homework. I don't see why not. Okay, so let me open up Undertale though. We have to speedrun the very beginning. How much this game we make? It's just gonna be the boss battle and maybe a little bit more, but there's 4 innings. There's only 4 innings of this. It's gonna be simple enough. I imagine it would take like 15 minutes to 100% it. Nothing super crazy. Alright, let's open up Undertale because I need a reference. Window capture. Undertale? Yo, Jacob, member for a few months. Let's go. Where's Undertale? Come on. Hold on. I need Undertale to work. Multitasking exists? Yeah. Just play in the background. You can make it a little bit quieter if it's too distracting. I don't know. That's not Undertale. Because your computer's want to attack? Wait, we got some attacks we gotta program in. I got some assets working. Do that. There we go. Alright, so we gotta speedrun the very beginning of the game. Because I need to see battle as a reference. Wait, this is it! Oh, I forgot! We were on our genocide route, right. Wait, what happens if we go back? Out of curiosity. Is Sid still there? No, he's not. Can I restart the game? Wait, is there a way to reset the game? I didn't finish the game, right? I don't want to do the whole thingy. I just want to see it. Chicken burger, chicken... It's definitely a chicken sandwich. Hold on. I forgot. We were in genocide. We killed Sans. And then we just left there. Freak. Oh, Hack, did you hear it's confirmed that Keanu Reeves will be voicing Shadow? I did see that. That's kind of crazy. You can reset the game? Yeah, I don't want to go through the long ending. Reset. Alright, I just need to get you like a Frogget. I just need a Frogget so I can see how the game works. Alright, we're not going to give Char the satisfaction they want. We have succeeded. Okay. Woo, Shrimple's that. Shut up, Flowey. I need to get to an enemy encounter. Oh, he skips it, right, because we've already seen him. Oh, that's always nice. Howdy, Crusaders. Yo, what's up, Antivenom? I do think that's good game design. Toby Fox has some like extra features if you're playing on a another run. Did you beat Pokemon Emerald today? That's fun. Pokemon Emerald's a great game. Definitely one of the better Pokemon games, in my opinion. Ooh, very good classic. Alright, let's just run through this. Man, Undertale's such a sweet game. Man. If I ever make a game, I'd like to be inspired by a lot of the elements of Undertale. There's a lot of things that I really think they did well. The storytelling. I couldn't do the music myself, but I think the battle system's also creative. They basically molded two genres together. They just took bullet hell and RPG together, which is fun. You know what? This might be good enough. This might be all we need to see, right? And we'll probably go to a Frogget so we can see a bit more. All right, you started your first day of day shifts at work. Great, that's good. That's good though. Ooh, having day shifts means you can actually participate in society rather than night shifts where like you're weird out of there. Alright, you're confused, is there two Venoms? Yeah, one of our, we have two mods actually named Venom. One's Antivenom and one's Venom Vortex. And will we ever do a Nuzlocke? So here's my deal on Nuzlocks, right? There's two ways to do a Nuzlocke. You either do a Nuzlocke using rare candies. If you use rare candies, it's too easy. Because you'll always have, like, your Pokemon will always be strong enough. I do competitive Pokemon. I would not be losing Pokemon in a Nuzlocke if I use rare candies. Or you do a Nuzlocke where you have to grind. And if you grind, it's just long and boring, right? So, I don't know. That's the tricky thing about a Nuzlocke. How do you make it a Nuzlocke interesting if, like, you're actually good at Pokemon? Oh, if you know competitive Pokemon, if your Pokemon the same level as your gym leaders, you're always going to clap them. Otherwise, you know? I don't know. It's just a weird position. Now, obviously, you can play some mods that make the game harder, but... Well, then it's... then it's going to be a hard mod you're fighting. Not really the Nuzlocke, is it? Alright. Keanu Reeves has to play Maria too? So true. Will we ever do member-only videos? Probably not. I'm not really a fan of, like, limiting my content. I kind of want people to see everything I make. I don't want people to, like, be ostracized just because they don't have 99 cents, or if they didn't get lucky, you know? Like, that's just not my kind of thing. Apologies for people that would like to see members-only stuff. Just not my kind of thing I like to do. You're a character in Undertale, which character would you be? I'm gonna be honest. I'd probably be, like, Napstablook or something. Like, being real. Like, I would love to say, oh, I would be Papyrus or something, you know? But no. You're doing a Genesans route? You can kill Nara. Yeah, you'll be able to kill her. Okay, so this is what we need to see. So as you can see, there's a little green bar next to the thing, and we need that. Act also uses that. Okay. Item. Okay, so item doesn't work because we don't have any items. Okay, hold on. Let's run away. Let's go get some items. What we're basically saying is we want to see what the UI looks like so we can implement it in ourselves. I'm just grabbing more candy so I have more stuff in my item. Okay. Because we need to re-implement all this stuff. I'm not modding the game. I'm building the game from scratch. Yeah, so there we have that. It's page 1. Okay. He's got 3 of these. That's a little tricky. And then fight does that. Okay. Alright, I think we've seen what we needed to see. Have you ever eaten a gummy burger? No, I have not. Okay. We've seen what we needed to see. So we need to get a green health bar like that. Alright. You're building the game in scratch? No, we're building in Unity from scratch. From bottom up. We're not using the actual game as a base. Okay, so let's open up Photoshop now. And we need to go create a little green bar. That sounds pretty simple, right? Alright. We'll need a green bar, but that works. That was a joke. Alright, real. Okay, I guess we can also reuse this. I think when you attack an enemy, it's got a little health bar above itself. It's been a while, but we'll test it out. We have to just work one at a time. Okay, let me share my... God, I could just share my entire screen. That might make things easier, but it might also not. I wish I had like a second monitor, because there's so many windows you need to open. Hey, what do you think about the Disney 2025? I have no idea. I never saw that. I don't keep up with a bunch of media. I'm kind of just doing my own thing. Okay, so we need to create a green bar. God, we have 3 windows open. They're all important, though. Right here, we're trying to make assets. So let's start by using the one we already have as like a little base. We need to make it longer, and we also need to make it green. All right, let's see. Video, projects. Undertale versus Nera. So this is what the Undertale health bar looks like. The player health bar, it's yellow for some reason, I don't know. How hard is it to code? Coding simple things are easy. Coding hard things is hard. Shrimple as that. Ooh, man. Hacked, will you make this a mobile game? No, it's Undertale. Undertale's not on mobile. I don't make mobile games. A lot of people ask, hey, Hack, can you make Pika Game mobile? Can you make this mobile? No, it's just not something I want to do. I'm sorry. Ooh. Alright, so we have that. Let me get Undertale. Oh, God. I need to go open up the game again. Oh, there's so many things I need. I gotta go get the color of the health bar from the game. There might be an easier way to get it, but honestly, we have our tools right next to us. So let's just do this. Hold on. Let me go get this. Okay. Time to go get the color green from the game. Ooh. Real. Hi, actually, what's up, Sofa? Okay, there we go. We got a frog it. So we're just gonna snip that. There's probably easier ways to do this. I'm making this a lot more complicated, but it's kind of fun. Okay. And we also now have a scale to use. So that helps us a lot. Okay, file, new image from clipboard. Actually, we can just use this. Honestly, since it's pixel art, it's actually really clean. Do you like your new profile? Oh yeah, it's Lesser Dog now. Yo, you changed, right. Can you explain what Bunden's doing on Thursday? Yeah, he's doing a Smash tournament. A Smash Melee tournament with some other creators. Like Pear, Johnny, Dano. Dano's probably gonna get clapped. I don't know how good Dano is at Smash Melee. C-Dot and a few others. Sambucha is also gonna be like, they have a pretty stacked lineup. Short Wars plus some others. Okay, so we have green health bar. There we go. It's basically it. It's basically the health bar from Undertale. You literally can't get worse. I didn't get rigged. I have 15k subs. Plus, I don't play Melee. Ooh, I am not a Melee player, so it works out. Hi, Yotapai. I'm gonna save this. PNG. Green health bar. Oh, I actually don't know what the health bar looks like when it gets damaged. We need to open up Undertale again. I think it's red when you damage it, but I need to see to get the actual color. Yeah, I don't play Smash Melee, so it's not a big deal. Dude, this is so bad because there's things you just don't know at the top of your head. I guess you revolt. It's already been well scheduled. It's not something I'm worried about. Don't worry, I wouldn't make it past the first round. I tried going online in Smash and Smash Melee, and I got collapsed so bad. Those people are really good at what they do. I do that. So it is red, but the health bar above his head wasn't red. It was actually gray, which is interesting. But yeah, now we have what we need. Let's copy and paste that. We're just doing that for the color. Alright. Let's see. Now we go File, New. Image from clipboard. We just want to copy that red little right there. Great, works out. You just be Undertale neutral route. You got it like a week ago. That's great. It's a really good ending. A neutral, I think, is the worst ending. So, you know, like it's only uphill from there. All right, here we go. Here we go, baby. Woo! So what did I name it first? I named it green health bar. So now we're gonna have red health bar. Okay. There we go. So we need both. This is how health bars are made, which is really funny, actually. How did Bundan get Sambucha to join? Do you know they would ever get want Law by Mike? I don't know. Bundan actually has a lot of contacts in the content creator like sphere. Bundan's like really good at his job. Alright, you've never done Pacifist? I would recommend Pacifist as well. Pacifist is probably the most satisfying ending. It has the most content, and it's just really good. Okay, back we go here. We got everything we need. We can move back into this. Let's get that little music playing again. God. You've only done the other two, though. That's crazy doing Genocide before Pacifist. Import new assets. He has connections? Yeah, Bundan's really good at his job. Like, as a, creator, he's got good networking skills. And that's really, really good. I kind of stay within my own group. But that's fine. I'm in a good group, so I'm not mad, but... Ooh. Maybe I'm shooting myself in the foot. I don't know. Alright, so we have health bars. We make them a little bit smaller, but we know what we're working with now. Woo! Okay. Now we want to set them together, right? Basically, you set them on top of each other. Right? Actually, it's probably easier to just set their position to be the same. 0, 0, 0, 0. Where do they go? Oh, they're over there. Okay. Boop. Alright, where do you get most of your subs from? Streams, shorts, or long form? Good question, honestly. Good question. Not long form, I'll tell you that. Probably a mixture of streams and shorts. Probably mostly streams, to be fair. Because I've streamed like 800 times, so it adds up, it adds up. It's Puffer, yo, it's welcome. Alright, let's see. So now we want to get the... Where's the health bar? Where do I have it stored? It's not there. Current health? No, that's just the name. It's been a while. I haven't worked on this in a while. I forgot where I put the health bar. There's probably something saying health bar right here on the screen. I can't see it. Hold on. I click that and it tells me where it is. It's on the canvas, right. Okay. Okay, right. It's on the canvas. Okay, so then there's HP bar. How did I make this? It's actually 3 items and 1 empty. Okay, so. We move that off? Or can I get that out of there? Yeah. Okay, so it's 3 items. We need to create empty. Get that out of there. Enemy health bar. Okay, then we put these 2 in there. Boop. Boop. Alright, huge. Bro, you literally streamed 800 times. I've been streaming for a while. I've been streaming since basically my first year of college. And then now I am still streaming. I need to do more because like I'm obviously not growing like as fast as I should. I only have 16k subs, which is both a lot but also not a lot, you know? So it's a little tricky. Ever did this form of streaming shorts at the same time? Yeah, I've done short streams quite a bit. We've been doing them a lot recently, and they're very useful. They're good for reaching out to people that we can't normally reach. So now we need to get the code, as well as the little slider function. So where do I have the code set? Is it on the yellow bar? Where's the code for that? It should be here, right? What? Where's the code? There's code for this. I programmed it. I'm not crazy. It has to work somehow. Hold on. We're working on something. Donde está? There's image. You can't see it. What I'm looking at right now is on the right side of the screen. It's covered by the code. Elect, but yo, welcome. Maybe I can try finding the code down here. Let's see. Oh god, what is this? What is this music? This music is so nostalgic. Oh my god. It's from some sort of weird one of those me channels on the Wii. The Winnie of Hacks Insanity thing. I'm just trying to find where I put the code. I am not very good at naming my stuff. Maybe I should do that a bit better. Typewriter, screen, shake, player, player movement, hurt. It should be on this one, right? You would think. Because this is the image that's actually scaled. Or it'd be on this one, this is where the health bar actually moves. No, maybe it's not even there. No, maybe it's not. Maybe it's on player? No, it can't be. Hold on, let's go to prefabs. Player. Hold on, we just gotta find it. I don't know where I put it. I don't know where I put the code. I'm so bad. So I need to find what it's called so I can put it on the other health bar. I imagine you just copy a lot of the same stuff over. Okay. Because it's going to be basically the same as the actual player health bar, but the player health bar just references the player health rather than the enemy health. Yeah, so maybe it's being accessed from something else. Maybe it's from... Where do I keep my stats? Like, player stats. Is that under event system or something? You're gonna go? Well, thanks for coming as long as you did, Pro Chacho. Can you watch Chasey Boy if you have free time out of the stream? No. I'm busy. I have some work I gotta do. Yeah, maybe it's this. We have HP bar, health slider. Yeah. Alright, so we're just gonna expand this. So where is it? Hi, what's up, Ligia Sanchez? Okay, so we have Health slider, public game object. Nera. Health 1. She'll have 2 health bars because she'll there's 2 different ones for this. Woo! Let's see, do that. And then we need public and enemy health. There we go. And how much health should Nera have? How much health do you think she should have? So, Frisk, the player, is 24 health, right? Should Nera have like 100? How? She'll have 2 phases, keep in mind. So if you're killing her, be aware. Chat. How much health should she have? Do you typically stream this early now? No, I just wanted to get a stream out earlier today. All right, let's see. Nera needs so much health. 50? No, 50 is the 30. Bro, you want Nera to have like 1 health at a time? How much health did Papyrus have? Papyrus has a lot of health. Oh, let's search it up. Papyrus Undertale. I think y'all don't realize like how bulky like some of the bosses are. Let's see, in battle. Papyrus in battle. He has 680 health. 680 for Papyrus. So I'm just saying. The fight's supposed to be a boss fight. Keep it in mind. Frisk deals a lot of damage. Yeah, Frisk isn't dealing like 2 damage each time. Like these are bulky. These are bulky characters. Like where do we go with this? So give Nera 900. Hey, what are you making this on? Oh, this is Unity. Make it 250. Oh, let's be nice and say 500, and that'll just be for this phase. We'll see. We can always change it later. Keep it in mind. We can always change it later. It's not a big deal. Well, we just need something to work with, you know. Well, we'll set it to 500 for now. All right, let's save that. Woo. Okay. So that's that. Okay, so whenever you take... So we'll have to change it, add a function, so when you change damage, you can change it later on, but that should be fine. And do you get more subscribers when you're by yourself and when Royal Pair's in your content? Royal Pair's been only in one of my shorts, right? I didn't get more subs, but it had a better swipe rate, because I had him in the beginning. Alright, let's see. We're just on like 2.5k? We'll see, we'll have to balance it. We'll balance it about that. I don't want it to be like impossible. I want it to be easy enough that anyone can do it, because there's some people out there that can't even beat like Undying the Undying, and that's fair. I want it to be something that would take like a few tries, but not like a lot of time. Yo, what's up, Pear? Welcome to stream. What games are you planning on playing for future streams? Whatever the frick I want. Shrimple's that. Okay, so now we need to tie these. I need to add a slider to this, right? So we'll just copy this one right here. Can I copy component? You can, yes. Bro, the copy doesn't even work! I hate Unity so much. We'll just copy the same little things it has. Alright, so it's just called slider, right? And we'll do it. Ooh, alright. You ever a defense stat equal to the element of iron? Defense, I mean, I don't know. I'm not really thinking. Defense doesn't really matter. Ooh, we'll see. She's not supposed to be, like, terrifying. Alright, so what are we calling this? Slider, right. That's what we're getting. Slider. Interactable. Turn that off. Transition, none. Navigation, none. Right. Okay, and then it's... Fill racked is the top, and then there's nothing else, right? Wait, do I need to add something to this? Oh, these are sprites, not objects. Okay, hold on. I can just copy these, put these in here. And I can just change their sprites. Okay. Is this a no milk stream? Yeah. Having the bot on uses some of the computer power, and I need the computer power to actually work on the game. Yeah, so I don't want to lag the thingy. I'm trying to quest a friend every CBSP member on Discord. Good luck. It'll be a tough one. Is Nera the main boss? Nera is the only enemy in this. Mario Galaxy music, man of culture. I mean, we play a lot of Mario Galaxy on the stream, so it's not like it shouldn't be a surprise. Let's see. Alright, just copy everything. It's a lot easier. Where is it? I copied it. I don't see a duplicate of it, right? We should be able to see it. That's a little strange. You ever want to make another YouTube, but role players in all of your content? That just sounds like a collab channel, right? That doesn't sound like my channel. Ultimately, I want something that people can like me, and you know, I don't want to mooch off other success. As much as it's good to use your buddies to help you. Bro. Where are these? Where are these? Hold on, is there like a button to like find something? I thought there was, right? I thought it was down there. There is a button. It's like Shift, Tab. Oh, what is that? I don't know what I did. Don't do that. Don't do that. Hold on. Where the frick are these? That's the problem. I don't know where it is. When's your next face game stream? You don't do this often enough? Yeah, I don't. I don't know. I don't know. I have to be in the zone. I have to be in the zone. Let's see. You don't understand how Hack doesn't have more subs? You watch the first CBS in stream? I can't word. But I became your cover streamer? Yeah. Well, that's how it is. Well, see, the thing is, it's hard to grow by streaming alone. You have to make actual other content. And that's a bit challenging because I'm kind of a... I'm an engineer. I'm an engineer. I do that kind of stuff, and that takes up a lot of my time. I changed the coordinates. I don't know where these are. It's kind of bad. I guess under the light, there's a bit more than that. You can't just complain about the algorithm your entire time. Where the frick are these? That's the issue. I don't even see them on the screen. That's the thing. When you click on it, it should have like a little thingy, right? That's odd. Well, we'll just delete it. We'll just delete it and start from scratch. It's fine. So the issue right now, I think, is because we need to be on the slider, on the canvas, and that might be what's the issue. So just copy and paste. Copy that. Control V. Move that. There we go. That's working now. Woo. Okay. There we go. Now we need to change these to the right sprites. Green. That did not do anything, did it? Oh wait, no, that was the border. Oh, that's supposed to be the red. And then yellow is supposed to be the green. Okay, then we need to change the size of that. Okay. Let's see. Woo! Okay, we're making progress. We're making progress. Now we just need to change the shape of this. So where's the scale? That's the transform. So I think it's just width, right? So just change to like 50. Oh! I think, okay. You do that. That's not moving the thing below it, though. Shoot. Where did it go? Undo! Okay, now it's tiny. Why is it tiny now? How did I break it? Bro, how did I break it? How do we get Hacked appear on the recommendations? Simply just watching the content. That's all you guys can do. That's all you guys can do. Is it working now? I think this is good. And then there's the slider work. What the frick? Why is it yellow now? God damn, I'm just trying to copy and paste that. I'm just trying to make a health bar. I give you backshots of death? No. But yo, what's up, Toadbeamer? Been a while, been a while. Welcome. Bruh. Why is this being problematic? It should be simple. Just copy it, change the code, change the way it redirects to. And it should be fine. But no, it's not there. But progress is there for now. Trying to get this to work. We're trying to make a little health bar that appears next to the fight. So when you click on fight, you see the little health bar of the enemy, right? We're trying to get that to work, but it's stupid. Alright, we went red there. Then we want yellow, the yellow one to be the green one. Then we change this thing, right? Woo! Watch this game blow up. This isn't gonna blow up. It's not gonna blow up. This is just for fun. Even Pika Game did really good. Like, it got 16,000 subs, but like, it didn't blow me up. So like, ooh. Okay, does this work? Does this work fine? We gotta make that thing underneath it bigger, but this actually seems fine. Wait, maybe I know the issue. Okay, let's try now. Why is this weird? Make it long? I know I gotta make it long. I'm trying to get the shape to work correctly. Because I'm trying to reuse the code from the last time I made it, and it's... Obviously, I made the previous one as a square, and it's a little different. God, why did the other one work so well? Make it elongated? I'm trying... It's a bit weird. It's a bit weird. I can DM Proto and Dacha. It's gonna be tricky. It's gonna be tricky, man. Ooh. Okay. God. Why is it behind it now? Why did it go away? I killed it. I literally killed it. I'm so bad at this. I'm literally just trying to make it. Okay, did anyone see Dune Part 2? I have not. I saw Dune Part 1, but I have not seen Dune Part 2. Stop dying. Does it work again? It works when it's small, but as soon as I make it bigger, it starts being weird. God damn it. Why is it like this? I can increase the size, but it doesn't increase the size of the one below. Wait. We're onto something. There we go, that's what we need. We had to use scale. I was using the freaking width. Whatever. Okay. We'll put it there as a test, and then we can turn it on and off later. Okay, there we go. We chillin'. Hold on. We just gotta figure out where to put it. So obviously, that's in the wrong spot. So somewhere a bit more like over there. Okay, but it's actually working. No way. We made health bar. Remember, only appears when you attack. I'm well aware it's not supposed to look like that. Might be a bit too fat. We can make it a bit narrower. Like maybe like a 0.8. We also need to go into more details. We need to change that to 500. Whew, okay. It's thin enough? Really? It was kind of thick. I think it needs to be a bit more to the right. I mean, left. The coding's way. We've barely done any coding today. We've been dealing with the other stuff. I've been trying to get the object in. Did you have the day off of school due to it being Patriots Day? Patriots Day is literally 9/11. That's not. No, I don't get 9/11 off. Okay, I think that looks right. Okay, so now we need to set that in the attack. We need to open up the other code. So this would be controlled by the other thing. We also need to go back to player variable and set that to access that. Yeah, Veterans Day is a different day, but I don't get any days off now. I have no more days off for the rest of the year. So let's get the flight script up, get player variable up. Then we set We set that in there. Okay, huge. Woo, the rest of the year's 3 weeks. Yeah, I still have... My school ends in like May or something, and I have a lot I gotta get done, which is so stupid. Okay, now we gotta go to the coding. I gotta go set that to turn on and off. So it's gonna be public game object. And we just need to like enable and disable it whenever we need to. Which should be fine. Public game object Nara health bar 1. Boop. Alright. You guys in school in May? Yes. Patriots Day is the day to the fact that it's the same day as the Boston Marathon? No, what? Patriots Day is 9/11. What? No. I'm fact checking that. Patriots Day. I'm pretty sure Patriots Day was 9/11, right? Says there's a Patriots Day that's only celebrated in 6 states that's in April. But for the rest of the United States, I believe Patriots Day is 9/11, right? I've never heard someone say Patriots Day was here. I've never heard that. That's crazy. Apparently it's real. I saw it. Okay. Not something anyone celebrates over here. I still go to class. Okay, anyways, we need to go work on that. So we need to start with that disabled. Okay, so do I turn it off first? Prove that America isn't actually a country. America's actually a bunch of tiny countries all together in a thingy. America's 50 separate countries that all celebrate their own thing. Here in Texas, we have the Alamo and stuff. Yes. Okay, so do I just access the sprite window, or is there a way to turn an object on and off? Turn object on/off Unity. Yeah, there's set active. Okay, yeah, we can use that. Let's see how that works. Guess Florida celebrates taxes, not pictures. It's so true. We celebrate taxes. Okay, so we start by what's it called? Near health bar 1. Was it dot set active false? And then we just turn it back on when we're doing the attack. Today's around the 110th anniversary of the Titanic sinking. Really? That's crazy. Name a country in South America. You'll start Guyana. Yes. There's one. And then we simply plug it in there. And we set it to true. And this should work. Woo! Please work. We're gonna plug it in, but I have good hope. And now we wait. God. You're late a sec, but you're here. You're welcome. We're just working on making game. It's loading right now. Because loading is the worst part. This is why I need a better computer, so I can make games faster. Alright, and then we get that. We plug the little thingy in there. Okay, so it should turn off, and then it should turn on when you attack. That's the plan. That's the idea. It's not there. Oh, that is worse? How did I break that bad? Whoa! I didn't even do much. I literally added this line, and that was it. I also added that, but still. What the frick? Good job, Hack. Great. I added lines, and now it turned the hearts on for some reason. Great. Let's find out what part's problematic. Let's start by keying that one out. Great. Are you using Git? No, I'm using Unity. Great. Variable Nera health bar 1 a fight button has not been a... Wait. Oh, it's because I'm on the wrong one. I don't know how Unity works. Very carefully. Very carefully. I'm not using Git. I don't have my internet, my code up there. My code is all here. Do not. I know what GitHub is. GitHub is where like. I kind of have an idea that's like where you can like publicly like have your code there, right? Something like that. Like I don't know. I've never taken like real computer science. I have an idea, but no, I don't know. I'll be real. Okay, so what am I doing? See, actually, you'll be back in a bit. Well, thanks for coming as long as you did. So what do we need? We need to go to fight button. Alright, then we do that. Version control lets you track the changes. It is local and GitHub is over the internet. Okay. That makes sense. I do not have that, no. No, I don't. Okay, well now now it seems to be working better. So let's turn that back on. Woo! Don't have to make your code in GitHub public for most cases either. When you're taking college, I'm taking electrical systems engineering technology. Okay, let's see if this works. I work with circuits and stuff. I do some coding as well, but not like any game design or anything. It should work now. It works. Great. That's what we need. Alright, now let's start with turning that off so it's not bothering us. There we go! Great! Let's go! Gaming! Gaming! Huge. And then if we want to, we can go and change her health. Let's say she has 250 health, right? Then we run that. She should be halfway down. Huge! You didn't get much sleep because you're watching her wellness stream? Wellness stream forever. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, okay. Her health is not updating, right? Hold on, let's look at this. Oh, I need to add a health update to Nera. Okay. Why is first level 2? Because they stepped on a bug on the way to Nera. They stepped on a bug. Okay. So now we have to set up the code to actually update the health bar. So we have public void damage. We can do a little update Nera's health function. We'll need one of those. And we just call this whenever we actually attack her. Alright. We'll just name it, I guess, deal damage. The end can be, I guess, also damage. We don't need any of this iframe stuff. We're doing something completely different. Okay, so how do we go about this? So what's Nera's health called? Enemy HP. We go enemy HP minus equal damage. I mean, I guess we can stick it. We can stick the update the thing inside of there. On health change. I guess on health change can update both Frisk and Nera. Why not? Copy paste that. Enemy HP. What do I call the second health slider? So it's not going to be health slider. It's going to be something else. Yes, let's see. We're making progress though. We're actually doing something. We're doing a thing. I HackedCrusade knew it's a Rosh. We'll have to change the noise there, but that's fine for now. I think the screen shake also works. Okay, let's see. Where's the slider? A lot of things defined. Where do I define the slider though? So I just gotta copy and paste that. Control F. Slider. Oh, just called that? Oh, that can just call it just Nera Health 1. Okay. So now whenever we call the function, her health bar should be updated. We just call the function every time we actually attack her. That's fine. And it'll technically update Frisk's health as well, but that shouldn't have any issues. Okay, so now with that done. Who is HoloQ? HoloQ is a person who's been here for a while. Alright. Well, let's remove that. Well, human is either great Papyrus. Yo, welcome Papyrus. We're working on coding. Yes, my beloved. My least favorite thing to do. Okay, now we just gotta make that work. I could set up a way to like trigger the function, but yeah, maybe like do I have void update on this? I don't think I do, because having void update playing is not very good. Alright. God, I'm sorry. This probably isn't the most interesting stream because like it takes like a long time to make like the little things. I'm not a god at what I do. Ooh, I'm not very good at what I do. I'm learning. My whole thing is I want to learn how to be better at this stuff too. So sorry, not crazy interesting things are happening, but I'm glad all of you could be here. All right. Why is all of chat green? Because Pear gave 50 members the other day to chat, and that's quite a few members. It's quite a few members. Most of the active people got one. Not everybody, though, because can't be perfect. I need some way I can do... I think it's void. Is it update? Then we can just call that. We'll just have to comment that out later. Yeah, it's void update. Okay. Let's see how that works. You missed it? Well, even if you missed it, you can still get a member if you're not there at the time. It just means you were unlucky and didn't get it. Sorry about that. Yeah, membership because Will Not give... Oh yeah, Will Not gave out one member. You got it, right. You'd always spend money? You could always spend money. You got yours from Nepu Nepu. Oh right, Nepu Nepu gave out 2. I mean, 10. Oh, it updates now, see? There we go. We now have a working health bar. Simple as that. Wow, wowee! Wowee, health bar, no way! Dude, that's crazy, dude! We're working. It's so cool seeing you do this. It's good making little victories, but you're welcome, Dacha. Where are you making this? This is Unity. It is a game-making program. It is free to download. Oh. Alright, we successfully, after all that, got that working. Okay, so now what we gotta do is we gotta get the fight button. Basically, when you then click that forwards, you actually attack, and then I also need an option to actually escape that menu. That's the thing. So for the escape, I can probably reuse the stuff I have for the other thing. But otherwise, we should see. Woo. We should see. I should change her name. Here's the thing, if Pear changed his name for a day, he would lose a lot of subscribers. It's not a good deal for him. And I'd probably lose subscribers as well. When I changed to Nepu Nepu, I lost 16 subs. Oh, I had 16 people unsubscribe. But that's fine. It filters out the fake fans. Okay, we can delete this. We don't need that. So it works. The idea works. Alright. So now we gotta go back in here, and we're gonna start working on this. Okay. I think I use this one here instead. I don't know why I have Mercy as that one. Okay, you almost unsubbed too until you realize it was April Fool's. Yeah, it's April Fool's. I'm surprised how many people don't look at the date when they see something. You work on the socks some more, we'll see. Why unsub from Nepu Nepu? Well, imagine you see some random anime VTuber in your stream. You're like, who the frick is this? And like some people don't even give it a chance. They don't even click to watch to see. Oh my goodness. So it makes sense. Is Nera on right now? No, the bot's not on. Since we're doing coding and like we're actually rendering, you can't see it because there's you can't see the little loading thing. But every single time I compile the code, there's like a long load screen between each time. And yeah, if I had the Nera bot on, it would take even longer. Sorry about that. I don't have the best computer in the world. Can you still hug? No. Actually, hugging might be on Nightbot. I think hugging might be on Nightbot. If it's on Nightbot, it works. Nightbot's always up. Nightbot is not locally hosted. I was wondering why Nepu Nepu wasn't even recommended. Yeah, it's funny. A lot of people didn't put two and two together. But it makes sense. It makes sense. I'll still keep on having fun for April Fools. Even if it loses me like a few subscribers, I don't care. It filters out the people that are don't check that. Don't check. Yeah, that's not working correctly. Okay. Okay, does that work quickly now? Who was not hacked when it actually was? It's always been me. I've never had somebody else come on my stream for April Fools. Although that's an idea I think it would be good for one day. Trade streams with somebody for April Fools, but I haven't done that quite yet. Aka's complaining about his computer while I have 2 gigabytes of storage left? Yeah, I have no storage either, man. Yo, is that Pikmin? Yes, it is Pikmin. Kinda wanna see more Nepu Nepu. Yo, I realized that was just me using a VTuber, right? Like, that's nothing crazy. It's nothing crazy. It's actually funny. There's people out there that like worship VTubers with their souls. Like, you do realize they're just people, right? They're literally fleshy people. Quite simply, they might even be ugly. You never know. It works. All right. So you see the difference now is that the fight button's no longer selected. The heart went up there. That's what you wanted. Huge. Okay. Now a VTuber win. You know how much a VTuber costs? You know, making a VTuber from like scratch is like so expensive. And making one myself would be very hard. It's a lot of respect because you need both art skill as well as like live 2D or 3D modeling skills. Okay, let's see. So that works now. That's what we need. So now we gotta go down to the bottom of the code and work down there. So I think I can copy a lot of this. So I already got that working. Woo! And we'll just have to see. God, Pikmin music. Oh, Pikmin music. No way. We change this to 1. We need to delete this location stuff because there's none of that. Yeah, no, we don't need that. So this will just be an if now. Whew. Okay, let's see if that breaks anything. Please don't break anything. Please do not break anything. What type of attacks will you do? Oh, we're working on it. We're working on it. We're working on attacks. I can show you what we have so far. I technically have 3 attacks programmed, but only 2 are implemented right now. Error, I missed a semicolon. I mean a bracket. So where's the bracket missing? That. Okay. Try again. Woo! You're the same age as Nepu? What do you mean same age as Nepu? Nepu is an immortal being who lives beyond our time. Not relevant to the stream, but did you make the Music and Pika game? No, Music and Pika game's from Pokemon. Okay, does it work? It works. I have to turn that off. But that works, kinda. Okay, that's good, that's good, that's good, that's good. Ooh-wee. Okay. Okay. Come on, baby. Please work, please work. Oh, we're making progress though. Nepu Nepu was all a dream, so true. Nepu Nepu doesn't exist. There is never a Nepu Nepu. It's only HackedCrusade and Nera. That's all there is. Nobody else, there's no other YouTubers out there. I'm the only person making content. Everybody else is just really fancy AIs. Okay. So we can now do that. It works, it works. It works. Okay, we can now go in and out of the menus. Ooh, doing progress. I'm starting to forget to take his meds. I don't know what you mean. Dude, we're literally giving. At some point, if you can give me an audio sample of the words Nepu Nepu, that'd be helpful to your process. What do you need the words Nepu Nepu for? You're in so much pain from a sunburn. Heck, why is Texas like this? So in Texas, we're being fought by this thing called the sun. It's a battle we'll never win. Okay, we haven't actually implemented the attack process, but we'll work on that. So this is where we need to get some more assets. Do you smash your... Please don't talk about smashing or passing Nara. Nara is a minor. I am 22. Ooh, not very normal things to ask. I would stray away from that. So we need to go get the little animation for attacking. So we're gonna go get the sprites for that. Ooh, alright. You guys are not used to summer all year round? Imagine. Okay, so what are we looking for? We're looking for the little attack bar, right? They should have that. Battle menu? Attack effects, maybe? We'll need these eventually. Yes, that's what we're looking for. That is exactly what we're looking for. I'm not saying to ban for it, I'm just saying, please don't make those kind of comments. Not exactly normal types of comments. Looks like a microwave on the summer? Yes. The sun is a deadly laser, so true. The sun is a deadly laser. Okay. Now we change the window. Back to this. Okay, so right now we're trying to get this little thing. And we'll also need that. It's interesting, because on the Spiders resource, they also have some unused assets as well. Like, these little input thingies. It seems like Toby had the plan for C, X, and Z to all be used for attack. And I guess it would be at different times, maybe different weapons that have different attacks. But you can see those are all just placeholder sprites that would never use in the actual game, which is interesting. Alright, but what we're looking for is this. I don't know why there's two of them. I don't know what the difference between these two are. Let's take a little look. Yeah, what is the difference between these two? Then we'll also need the damage numbers. Yeah, what is the difference? Why are there two of them? And when we release your next short? It'll be a while, because the next short I want to edit myself. I don't want to send it to the editor, because it's going to be like kind of an important short to me. And I want to make sure I get it done like really well, you know? Because when you edit yourself, you can have your own creative vision. So, yeah. Last short, I wasn't really too important if it did well or not. Is the name Nara based off the word light? No, it's based off the word fairy. It is not based off light. I don't know what the difference in these two are, so we'll just use the first one. Good enough. And then we'll have to go with the little, these things as well. We'll have to program it to move and then be interactive. Okay. Boop. Does that look right? It's an interesting version of this song. This is some music from Zelda. Okay, we still need to get rid of a little bit more. Okay. So now we have this thing. I actually still don't know what this is. What was your first video game? I don't even know. I don't even know what the first game I played was. It's just been a long time, man. Yeah, I still don't know what this is. What is this supposed to be? Nobody ever explained. I asked on stream if anyone recognized what it is. Toby Fox just put in this random thing in his game and never explained what it was. Like, is this supposed to be a sword scabbard? Is this supposed to be like a cut? Is this supposed to be something else? What are these little symbols for? What's with the lines? I don't know, man. It's weird. And why are these like fin shaped towards the middle? Things that'll never be understood. Whatever the frick these are. Alright. Battle thingy. I don't know, maybe its internal name could hint? Somebody would have to find that out. I'm just getting the raw sprites. Not the raw sprites, just the sprites in the sheet. Alright, now we want these little things. All right. Great. Good progress though. Look at these. Looks like a visual glitch. It's just what the battle thing looks like for some reason. Toby's a very odd man. It makes sense, you know. But it's really weird. Like most targets would look more targety. Might be better to cut this out and put the other one on top. Like a bit more like. Like that. Cut. And then I'll often repeat with the other one. Okay. Cut. What is that? Hold on. Oh, I cut out the wrong layer. No, I'm an idiot. That's why I did that. Okay. Try again. Come on. Cut. Okay, now we have what we need. We have these thingies. Don't know what you would call these kind of thingies. But we have them. There we go. Let's cop around them, so they take up less space. And they're both the exact same size, right? Yeah. Alright, looks good. Great. So we have the white slash and black slash. We'll call it slash black slash white, so they go next to each other in the little thingy. Great! Huge! Progress. Slash white. And slash black. I can tell Bundon or a parent that if they need inspiration to make a podcast, then to watch that. Oh yeah, I forgot they were gonna make a podcast. I forgot about that. Honestly, I don't know if they're still gonna do that. They've all been really busy. Okay, there we go. Hi, Akio, it's a fire dragon. We're just making a game. Welcome. We're just stealing the sprites from Undertale because, you know, we're making an Undertale game. Ooh, okay. Let's see. Now let's work on getting these things set up. Oh, this is gonna be a bit tricky. Is there gambling in the stream? No, there's not. Because we are working on, how do I put it? Since we're making a game, I kind of need my power in my computer for, like, compiling the code whenever I do that. And so if I was having to have the bot running at the same time, it would just make things take longer. Apologies for that. We all vibing? I think we're doing fine. Alright, import that. We have battle thingy. My favorite. No! There's a bit of part left onto it. Hold on, I need to go open that again. There's purple still on it. No, it's going to be mobile. Undertale isn't even mobile. It's not going to be mobile. I'm sorry, I'm not going to make mobile games. I apologize, friends. Hold on, I actually left a piece of purple on that. I didn't even notice. No one pointed it out. There's just one pixel of purple in the very end. Okay, now we just resave that. And you know what side of the Helldiver the automaton war you're on? Ooh, I got Helldivers actually yesterday. And Helldivers is actually fire. Oh my god. I will end the automatons and the bugs. Oh god, Helldivers is a really fun game. Actually, do you stay here and watch Tito's stream? You can open up both if you want to. Whichever one you're active is will be up to you, but you can always be participating in both. But yeah, Helldivers is a fire game. Oh my god. Oh, I would stream it, but I don't know how well it'd be for streams. It's a really good game, though. Really good game. I know we have this thing. Huge. Does the fight command work? None of the commands tied to the bot will work if the bot's not on. I told you so, huh? It's a good game. It's a good game. And then we also need little slashes. Slash black, slash white. Import. Boop, boop. Undertale or Deltarune? Well, right now, Undertale is longer. Actually, kind of. I don't know, if you do Genocide, Undertale's shorter, but Deltarune's gonna be so much bigger when Deltarune actually comes out. It's gonna be crazy. Okay, so I want this to be on top of that. Do you think I'll be streaming when Sirat's done? I don't know how long I'll be streaming. Honestly, we're gonna try to get some things like, I want to make progress, and I don't know how long it's gonna take. Let's be real. There's no way to know how long it's gonna take when you're coding. Actually, what are you studying? Electrical systems engineering technology. Electrical systems and stuff. Circuits, all that yada yada. Okay. What is this called? What layer is this on? Text box. Let's see. 30 minutes can do? It'll probably be. How long did it take to make Piggy Game? Piggy Game took about like a weekend. I worked like an entire weekend. I just had like all time. And I just grinded it. Or at least I think how long Nera Game took. It took a bit. It was my first game I ever made. But we're trying something different. We're doing something different now. What layer is this on? Is this all? This is all just on the canvas, right? Canvas is its own layer, which is layer UI. Well, I guess I can put the battle thingy in there. Certainly a UI, right? I want it to be below the text box. That seems fine. The text will be taken off the screen by the time it's there. There we go, that looks fine. Ooh, how silly do you want the song to be? Goofy. Can you ask Dano if he'll license Toonturf to a streaming service? He's probably not going to. How do you create Nera? I made her. It looks like a programmer. If you're a pro programmer, you'd probably think I was really bad at what I'm doing. Because I am. I will have that turned off. Okay, so that's in there. Okay. So that's that. Great. I just realized, nobody mentioned it. I still had that thing on the screen the entire time. I had that thing on the screen the entire time. Nobody even saw. Yeah, Austin TMC actually knows what he's doing when he's programming. I am not a programmer. So now we want this to turn on whenever we do this. Okay. Ooh. Okay, turn that on. So what does that do? Did you beat Sans on the Genocide run a few days ago? Yeah, of course we did, yeah. We actually had more tries on Undyne than we did on Sans. Which is kind of funny. I guess Sans isn't harder, Sans is just more complicated. Sans is much more complicated, so Sans is gonna brutally destroy your booty the first time. But I think Sans is probably easier to get good at, if that makes sense, right? Okay, so what I'm gonna do... Okay, what do we call it? Battle thingy? That's what I've been calling it in the name, right? Battle thingy. We'll go with that. Works out. Undyne looked really hard. Undyne has some really bad battles. Woo. Memorization versus learning the attacks. Yeah. It basically is that. Undyne's like, you just gotta learn. Well, Sans is like, well, you saw that attack. But what about this attack? Will you be able to play this on stream today? No. Games take a long time to make. Especially from, if I was just making a mod for the game, I could probably do this a lot faster, but I want to learn more stuff. I want to get better. Hi chat, hello there, Hollow Detective. Okay, so we add that. We do kind of the same things we were just doing earlier. Is Nightbot an AI or person? Nightbot is a bot. It is neither an AI because it's stupid, and it's not a person because it's also stupid. Okay, is hacked an AI or person? I'm a hacked crusade. Simple as that. Shrimple as that. I just got here. Yo, what's up? Welcome. Okay, let's see if I can pull that thing up. I might also accidentally work on the text, but let's see what happens. Our goal is to see what happens and we can fix whatever's wrong. Oh wait, it's not gonna work. It's not gonna work because I didn't assign it. Okay, so it's called. Where is it? Battle thingy. Yes, that is definitely the official name. Toady Fox calls it. Okay, let's see what happens. Don't know if you should watch C.stream or stay for your stream. If you have multiple devices, you can just have one open. There's no shame. Okay, it pulls that up. It does that, right? And it doesn't turn it off, but that's because we're still working on that. Okay. That's progress. That's progress. That's what we want. What game is this? This is Unity. Very common to use one. So if I do that, does that fix what I'm trying to do? What was the boss that took you the longest time to beat? Mine was Ultra Necrozma. I beat Ultra Necrozma first time because I just used revives and I had Gallicipod of first impression. Oh goodness. Hardest boss I ever fought was probably the Nameless King from Dark Souls 3. Oh my god. Doesn't Unity make you pay if you have too many downloads? Not if your game's free, no it doesn't. Ooh, it's working. If your game is free, Unity does not make you spend anything. I had over 16,000 downloads on Pika Game, and I did not lose a dime. Thank God. Oh, because Pika Game's not ranking in the cache, I'll tell you that. Okay. Great, now I gotta call another function, where we actually go make the little bar that moves across. Huge. Oh, we're doing a good job, we're doing a good job. Oh my god. Okay. This works, this works. Woo! Okay. So let's go make a new function. Function, public void attack. Oh, we're gonna do it. We're so close, we're so close, we're so close to actually being able to play the game. I think the hardest boss you ever faced is Absolute Ratings from Hollow Knight. They're a tricky one, they're definitely a tricky one. Alright, let's see. Woo! Pika Game raises awareness for your channel, right? Did you make at least... Okay, so from the Pika Game video, let's check right now. The video itself has... We'll check, why not? The Pika Game video has, what, 24,000 views, right? That is the only way I make money, off of views, and donations if people are really kind, but people usually don't donate too long form videos, right? So let's see. And on that 24,000 views, I made $30. That's not bad, that's not bad, it's not good. But yeah, Pear's most popular videos are Pika Game. Most popular streams, yeah. They did very well. What about last stream? When we did that one stream, we actually had some generous donations. But that's not necessarily because we're doing Pika Game, right? You can theoretically get donations on anything. Alright. Last stream? Well, I can tell you. Let's go see. How much did we actually make on the stream? We had some really nice people, though. Let's see. Bing. That's live. Well, the people who streamed it earned thousands. Yeah, Pear made thousands. Willnet's made definitely over 1,000 off of Pika Game. I've made a bit. Yeah, on the Pika Game stream, I made $228. I got like $400 or something in donos, but somebody refunded like $200 of their donos, which is a little sad, but you know, whatever. So, 228 though. That is really good. That's really good. That's really good. But, you know, with refunds, you can't be too confident on the amount of money you make when you just get it. You have to wait a bit. You made at least $1,000? Yeah, I figured you made a bit. You did a really long stream yesterday, and you also had a really successful stream the day before. So, you've definitely made a pretty penny. Alright. I don't know, one day I'll need to make a game that... I want it to be cheap so people can actually play it, you know? I like people, like, if they were experienced like a Nera game, I like people to actually be able to play it, but... Ooh... I'd like to also be able to make money, because if you make money, then you can go at it full-time, right? Tired video game grind isn't going right? Oh, their video grind, right. Okay, well, I gotta work on this. You've been lurking? That's good, though. I lurk in your streams, so I don't expect you to be fully active. But it's good that you're at least listening. Alright, let's see. It's not about the money, it's about people enjoying it. True. But when you have, if you make enough money, you can go at it full time, and that's kind of the important thing, right? Because then you can make things forever. You're gonna play an Undertale game when it releases? I hope so. Okay, so public game object. I don't know what you call this thing. Oh, but heck, I mean, it was so difficult. But just keep on going. Just keep on going. I guess we'll call this battle slash. I don't know what to call it. Battle slash. Do we need to make that? Woo! And then what? We make this 0.6? 0.6? Hold on. Turn this on. I need to increase this layer. What is this? Actually, on a somewhat related note, which Mario game would you say mastered Bowser's character? Bowser's Inside Story. Bowser's Inside Story, Bowser's literally the main playable character, aside from Mario and Luigi. And, you know, I think Bowser's Inside Story is the best execution of his character, because he's both, he's greedy, he's funny, he's selfish, but he's also clever, but like in a stupid way. Like Bowser knows what he's doing because he's Bowser, right? And when he knows what he's doing, he punches through things, and it works out. It always works out. Bowser's Inside Story is definitely the best depiction of Bowser, in my opinion. I feel like a lot of the main series Bowsers, they're either completely stupid or completely smart. While Bowser's Inside Story is like that's Bowser. That's Bowser. It's a good mix of everything that makes Bowser Bowser. He's cocky. Cocky's also a good part of Bowser, right? Bowser's a very three-dimensional character, but you don't get to see all dimensions of him in a single game. We have Mario Sunshine where Bowser's like freaking hot tub Bowser. Then we have Mario Galaxy where like Bowser's some like mastermind taking over the entire universe. Like those games are literally back to back. The same man who sits in a freaking hot tub then sits in the center of his own galaxy he created, you know? So Bowser kind of crazy. Ooh. Well, in Bowser's Inside Story, you see him in 2D. In Galaxy, he's 3D. Well, that doesn't really change too much, right? I was gonna say, Hack, what about Galaxy where he's after more than just the princess? Yeah, see, well, that's what makes it weird, right? We have literally, like, back-to-back, we have Bowser, like, goofy Bowser versus, like, I'm gonna just, like, when Bowser's taking over the universe, something that's not mentioned in the game, but something that's, like, apparently in the lore of Galaxy, is that the Galaxy Reactor is supposed to destroy the entire universe so Bowser can rebuild it from scratch as the king, right? He's basically going to murder everybody in order to just like have his own like universe, his own to himself, which is kind of crazy. Oh, kind of cracked. Bowser just like on something. He's like, yes, I'm gonna murder everybody. Like, will you watch the Bundle tournament thing? Yeah, I have to. I have to support Pear. Why is the scale so weird now? Hold on. Ooh, how did he plan to not die from it? I don't think Bowser thought that far ahead. I'm gonna be honest. You would argue that was when Bowser's character's more mastered? No, I disagree. I disagree. I think having the Bowser who's like fully smart and fully like evil, that's literally, I think that's the weakest form of Bowser. I think Bowser is supposed to be funny. He never does make it that far, I guess? No. Bowser's like, yes, I'm gonna destroy the entire universe and become the king of the new universe. Bowser also not realizing, wait, I have to survive the destruction of the universe? No. He's not gonna think that far ahead. Actually, that's a good point. Keep in mind, Galaxy is effectively the same Bowser from like Mario 64, like where they're just completely evil and very intelligent. There's nothing else. Actually, do you ever want to do Royal Pair lore? I already know all the lore. I've been there since the beginning. I helped make a lot of lore. I work with Pair with a lot of things behind the scenes. Woo. What's your favorite Undertale or Deltarune character? Papyrus. You know Royal Proto personally? No, I've never really met Royal Proto outside the CBSMP. So you could say that Galaxy nearly perfected it? No, I disagree. I think Galaxy, I think Odyssey is actually a lot closer. Odyssey is a lot better. That's probably the best interpretation of Bowser like a 3D Mario game. Because in Odyssey, Bowser is both intelligent and like smart, but he's also stupid. Because his whole gimmick is that he wants to just marry Peach, right? I think that's the best implementation of his character. Galaxy Bowser plan sounds like an Eggman plan. It does. Bowser is kind of, he's very parallel to Eggman in a lot of ways. Which is funny, because Eggman was based on Mario. Oh. Okay, so I think this is the right size. Okay, let's go open up Undertale so we can go see what this looks like in combat. Woo. Yeah, I think Odyssey combines both the goofy elements and the Bowser elements all together. I think that's what makes a good Bowser, because a good Bowser achieves everything. All right, let's see. What does this look like when you actually attack him? So it goes a little bit off the screen. Okay, I see. It goes through the edge on the right side, but it comes straight on the edge on the left side. Okay. You ever do Royal Pair lore? Content that can help Royal Pair overall? I mean, I have no reason to do lore though. I'm there. I don't think it would make sense to do lore. Not my cup of tea. I'm stupid. I just realized the white around here isn't actually a part of the sprite. Bro. Hold on. Okay, we can fix that. Woo! Back to Photoshop. Great. We gotta go cut out the sprites again. That's fine though. Since both sprites are in the same shape, we can just crop them. This mod's gonna be so, it's not a mod, it's a fan game. It's a fan game. It's not a mod. Mods modify an existing game. Fan games are built from the ground up. Fan games are harder to make, but you have more control over a fan game. While mods have limitations. Like Undertale Yellow, that was a fan game because they built it from ground up. While something like Kaizo Mario Galaxy, that's a mod. Alright, it's crazy that in 2 years Breath of the Wild will be a decade old. Don't say that. Wait, no, Breath of the Wild came out in 2017. Oh, we're safe, we're safe. Boo doo 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 doo. Yeah, not 10 years quite yet. Hack, can Nero transform her appearance? Because why does Nero have so many different forms? What do you mean? She only has like one form. She cannot transform. What do you mean so many different forms? What do you mean? What do you mean 74? She has one. It was 2017. Yeah, it was 2017. Yeah, so we're safe. We're safe. Decade made me feel really old because I remember getting Breath of the Wild. Woo. 3 years? 3 years is also a long time. Keep in mind, 3 years is a third of a decade, so. Ooh. Ooh. Goodness. I gotta delete it first. Okay. Beep. Beep. I remember when it came out? I remember when both came out, which is really terrifying. Really terrifying. The immovable like rate of time just moving continually. And can Nera transform into her orange form? What do you mean orange form? What do you mean orange form? Nera's never orange. There's no what do you mean orange form? What are you talking about? Are we going crazy? I'm gonna make a Mario Kart fan game on this website called Scratch. Can you put the link here? You can't put links in streams. Even if I said yes, you can't. It's open? What is it open on? It's not open. I just deleted it. Narrow Trump? Don't say that. Never say that again. Nera's never been orange though. Nera's had a really consistent design. I would like to give Nera a updated design, like for actual like a real project or like merch or stuff. But she's always had this pretty simple design for a while. Accumulatown? Yeah, we played crazy. What does it mean? I already have it open. Does that mean Aaron? Yeah, Aaron isn't Nera. Aaron is a different person. The one in the photo? That's not that's a different person. That's a different person. Ooh, that is not Nera. That's HackedCrusade's mascot, Aaron. Yeah, there's only one Nera. I guess I'll just save the name differently. Woo. Alright, huge. Bing, bing, bing. Boop, 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 boop. God, Pokemon is such a good soundtrack. Oh man, why does Pokemon cook on stupid things like this? They have no reason to. Okay, now let's re-import these into the thing. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Know the difference? Yeah, Aaron, Nera. So true, exactly. Can't believe it. Fake fans, come on, come on. No, don't even know their Aarons and their Neras. Okay. Let's open up Undertale again. I need to check. I need to check. Oh, I hate this. Oh. It's probably the easiest way, though. I mean, I could have a video I just open up back and forth. I think it's a little bit more fun, like opening the game. Because we're learning. We're learning. Nera, my beloved? Nera's my beloved, too. I like her. She makes me happy. HackedCrusade's playing Undertale? Damn, I wonder why. I wonder why HackedCrusade's playing Undertale. No, the original sprite was correct. Oh, that's stupid. That's so weird. That's so strange. Okay, never mind. I'm overthinking this. Well, thank goodness we didn't delete the old ones then. Woo. By the way, what game is this? Oh, dude! People always ask, what game is this? Oh my god. Hack, can you ask Royal Pair after stream if you would ever want a Royal Pair YouTube's plush? Like what Dano did for Riggy? Hold on. Hold on. You're asking about Royal Pair plush? Hold on. How long ago was it? He's been doing a lot of community posts recently. This is tricky. Oh, he's already confirmed though. He's already confirmed plush is being thought about. This game's gonna go so hard. Yo, what's up, Gabriel Cat? It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. When did he say it? It wasn't soon, right? Let's see. When did he last say it? But Royal Pair Plush has been confirmed. I think he started the discussions. He said it sometime here. Where was it? I don't know. It's gonna come though. It's gonna come. Don't worry. You'll eventually get it. Yeah, I don't know. Don't know where it was. I don't know. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. It's coming though. Trust is trust. Whew. Pretty sure Tropius is under copyright. Then they'll just make a parody of Tropius. Simple as that. It just has to look similar enough, but different enough. Woo. You might remember that a few days ago you sent a Discord video with your version of Undertale. Oh, I saw that. Yeah, I saw that. I saw that. That was very neat. That was actually very crazy. Yours seems to be much more ambitious than what I'm doing. I'm just making a single boss battle. But yo, you're actually working on like a actual real game, which is really fun. Alright, let's see. Do that. That. Alright, back you go. Are you gonna make a plush at some time? I would love to, but keep in mind, I'm kind of small. Just make blue trophy is so true. I'm a little small, so I can't exactly make a plush if I wanted to. As much as I would love to. Woo. No, we need the white one first. One day though, it's on the to-do list. It's on the to-do list. I just gotta get bigger. I've already gone through like the discussion on why I can't. It's because you have to reach like a certain amount of sales, and that's just tough. Okay, so then we go to canvas. We just dump this in the canvas. Set the right layer. So to be a little bit smaller, like 95. A little bit smaller. 90 maybe? Alright, you're back? You want to go get a snack? Well, welcome back. A little bit smaller, okay. Damn, my size is not working. Okay, this should be right. Yeah, that's exactly what we want. Okay, so it's gonna live like over here. Woo! Okay, great. So what now? We need to basically set that to move across whenever we start that. And then if we click, it'll pause and then do that. Okay, we have an idea. We know what we're doing. Okay. Now I just gotta get that implemented. Moving objects. Work. I hate working. But we just gotta work. We need this to work. We need this to work. So we need to start by getting that off by default. Turn that off, /white. Go away, okay. What even is Hack's mascot? Who? This, Nara. What do you mean who? Them! Beyond, but yo, welcome Beyond. Alright, what's your favorite game? Xenoblade Chronicles X for the Nintendo Wii U. Alright, let's see. Okay, we have game object battle / Blue Star, welcome. Okay, so now we need that to work. She like an OC? Yeah, she's just an OC. She's not from anything. Let's see. I don't know, you're new here? No, it's fine. Everybody has to learn at some point. Oh, yeah. A lot of people were like... I remember I had someone who was telling people, was like, it's not like he made the mascot. What do you mean? I did. What do you mean? Oh... Somebody was telling people like that she was from some anime or something. No! There might be other characters that look similar, but like, you know. It's only a matter. It's only a matter of time before someone looks similar to something else. All right, let's see. Do the battle slash. I'm going to turn that on here. Woo! Imagine having all the rights to your mascot. It's very important because it helps with making merch and stuff. I would hate if I didn't own the rights to my own merch. To make an Undertale version of Pika game? No, I am not. I'm making a game where you fight against my mascot in Undertale. This is not an Undertale version of Pika game. My first hack stream was when Dano rated hack. That's so good that you're still here though. That's great. Pear moment? Yeah, Pear's had some issues with like merch and stuff. If you've seen he hasn't had any merch with Tropius on it. He did use Royal Melon once on Lotion, but that's a little different. That's a little different. What am I calling this? What was this called again? Battle slash? Yeah, battle slash. I want to forget Pika game? Not forget, but I have other things I gotta do. I have other things I wanna do. Ooh, phase 1 hacked. Phase 1 white hacked. Phase 2 black. What do you mean white and black? What? Then we turn that on. And I have a little movement. We can copy the movement from different area. Do. Alright, time to see what happens. Wonder if this will work first try. Probably won't. I'll have to get the coordinates fixed. This is just a sample coordinate. Frankly, it doesn't matter if it works. We just want to see if it moves. Battle slash. Okay, let's see. Ooh, will it move? Work. Does it work? I just realized I still have Photoshop open. God, half the screen's covered. Well, I was working with code anyway, so it's not a big deal. Your mascot has 2 versions, one black, one white. What is technically the Glitch Crusade mascot? Glitch Crusade is like our alter ego, like the evil version of our channel. Not evil, but different. They're from an old April Fool's thing. And then the white one's the main one, yeah. Okay, will it move? That's the question. Ooh, I have to turn the heart off, right. So that's not working the way I want it to. Okay, well, I don't even have it set up right. I need to get the heart off. Maybe it's because I need to enable these beforehand. Well, it's probably because I haven't hooked up the thing. Hold on. That's going to be event system. No, it's actually the health of the fight. What do I call it? Where is it? You finish your latest word into the song? Based? Okay, let's see. Where is it? I named it like battle slash right? It's down near the bottom. Battle slash. Control F, battle slash. Yeah. Let's move it over near the other thingies, so it's easier to find. Boop. Okay. Ironic that you said bass because you're adding a bass guitar. Real. Okay. Now the question is, does it work? Does it work? Will the Nara battle have special background music? Originally it wasn't going to, but HoloQ and Switch were both talking about they both wanted to add music to it, so it probably will. It probably will. So that's kind of fun. It's not gonna be made by me though. I will tell you that. But there's a good chance it will have custom music. All right. Right now the code's compiling. It takes a minute. God, I hate having to run code. It's so slow. My computer's so bad. One day I'll have a better computer. My computer is dying though. It's at the end of its lifespan. I've used it through the entirety of college every day, and I have actually killed it. Come on, any moment now. Any moment now. Alright, it's downloading, great. Okay. Now we see if it works. That's the question. So we take this slash. You put it in there. So it's not gonna move to the right area. I just want to see if it moves. I just want to see if it moves. If it moves correctly, then we can focus on the coordinates. Oh, let's go! It moves! Okay. I might actually not want to use this code, because this code is actually more like a tween. So it slows down and starts. It starts slow and slows down, but we can work on that. I have another code I used earlier when I was moving the heart in the very beginning, and let's use that one. I think this moves to the consistent speed. Woo, heck, you're gonna go practice singing, you'll be back in 20 minutes? Alright, that's fair. Okay. How many sandwiches never eaten? It's just a really, really big sandwich. Does on God mean on God? So on God means on God, yes. Yeah, what else would it mean? Yeah, we just use this code, right? I should make a Tom Nook Undertale fight. It's more difficult than Sans. No, I won't. Shrimple as that. Hell yeah. Let's see, then we can just copy that. We're gonna sandwich. I guess it's an avocado sandwich. I don't know. I got cucked over by an avocado sandwich the other day, so I'm forcing her to share my pain. Alright, let's see if that works. Alright. Does it move? Does it move? Does it run? That's also the question. It does not run. I missed a semicolon because of course. Of course I did. Alright, we run it again. Woo! Your 2 requirements done of Tenderfoot and 4. You're still Tenderfoot? Or goodness gracious. Does that work? I think I have an error. No, it does work. Okay. Now we run it and see what happens. Go? What? Wait, what the frick did I just do? No, I made the fight button move. You're kidding me. Wait. That's actually funny. That's actually kind of funny, bro. Whatever. You can work on that. Okay. That's kind of funny. Okay, that's so funny. You know, sometimes you get little goofy things that happen by accident. Oopsies. Oh, Imagine to avoid fighting her, she just hides the fight button. Oh no. Oh. I do have a Discord? Yes, I do have a Discord. Yeah, if you go to the main channel, if you go to the featured page, you should see the Discord, like, right under the sub button. I'm back, Hack is still cooking. We just had a very interesting little error, but, you know, it should be fixed. Or is it just Royal Pairs? No, my Discord's not Royal Pairs. We have our own. We have our own. Alright. It should be better now. Yeah, now we just gotta change the direction that goes. Great, but great. Oh, we're cooking, we're cooking! Oh my god! I hacked your back, yo, welcome back. Okay, we just gotta set the location correctly. How do you hack Pear's Discord that one time? I asked Discord. So basically, Pear needed an admin to claim the Discord. And so he chose me to do it because he trusts me. Let's go, we're buddies. And so I did that. Do, 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 do. .94251. .94251. 2.94521. Yes, Bundle, you ever watched Vinduli? That is a strange question to ask. I burned your Discord, so it's now gone. Oh no, anyways. We'll just copy and paste that in. Alright. Let us see if that's better or worse. What's the worst that could happen? Woo! Chat, should you pursue animation, actually post content? I think animation's cool, you should try it. I think animation's a very cool thing to work on. Alright, let's see. Does it work? Will it work? God, I hope so. Dude, it'd be so cool. Because if it works, we can actually do stuff. Alright, it's running. Woo! Please work. Fight. Yes. Nara, yes. It's kind of fast. But it works. That's correct. Oh, that's so cool. That's so cool. Holy shoot. Is that, how fast is it in game? Let's get a little looky. Oh, you see that though. Oh, it's so cool. Get Undertale back in here. We are doing research to see how fast this is. Okay. Dude, we're making progress though, We're making progress. Yeah, it is much slower in game. Okay. That's all we need to see. Okay. Oh my god, we're making progress. Let's go. We're cooking. Okay. Back you go. So we can just change the time to like 2.5 seconds. Can we have a Undertale in full screen, please? No, I'm using the same resolution as actual Undertale. Sorry about that. I have to go bye? Well, thanks for coming as long as you did, Fire Dragon, until you return again. Woo! Okay. So let's see how that changed. Better or worse? Is it too long now, or is it too short? Yeah, it's a bit too short. Okay. Nice though. Nice. Let's set that to just 2 seconds then. That way it's in between what we had and what we have now. Dude, we're actually cooking. We're actually cooking. We are literally rebuilding. I am literally Tobiathan Foxworth. No way. Dude, I'm literally Toby Fox in there. Holy shoot. God, that's so crazy. Dude, I can only imagine the excitement of making your own game from scratch. Ooh. Oh my god. Alright, building again. Done building. Let's see. Ooh, how is the speed now? How is the speed gonna be? Oh, it's so fun, dude. It's so cool. What is going on? We're trying to get the attack button work. Any mods present? Nightbot. That seems about right. Okay. Woo. Did you see that? Did you see that? Did you see that? Oh my god, we're actually cooking. We're actually cooking. Actually, Nightbot counts? They totally count. That's so good. That's so good. Woo. Okay, now we just gotta do some more stuff. We just gotta get some more stuff done. So, with that done, now we gotta set up two things. We need to set up what happens if it misses and what happens if you get a hit. We also have to set up multiple hit ranges. Oh, there's a lot. There's a lot. No, you're killing me. You're killing me. Let's work on getting the thingy thing. Average game dev to Eureka? When you get a feature working, it's crazy. And then you just realize how much more you have to get left. Because we need like a sweet spot in the middle. We need the weak spots on the edge and the weaker spots on that. God. Oh, God. Frick. Well then. We'll have to see. We'll have to see. Ooh, I can probably still do it in there. I can just do like, if input.get key down Z. It'll be in the while loop, so it'll check it each time it moves. And that's how we attack. We'll put them there. As a game dev, sometimes you can understand. Real. It's totally like that, isn't that? And then if this ends, we have to also add in the miss statement. So what does miss actually look like in Undertale? Let's get Undertale back open. Woo! Undertale. Real. Okay, let's go missing enemy. Missing my boys. God, this is so stupid. This is such a cool project, though. It says miss. It literally, the miss doesn't even fit on the screen. But the miss just appears above them. Okay. So you just let if you let the entire animation play out, you miss. And miss doesn't make any noises or anything. Miss is simple. Right? And it just appears. There's no animation or anything. Alright. That's simple. That works out. Okay. Let's go get the text from Miss. It's also in the Spriter's resource. It's on the same sheet that we had the little battle thingy on. Woo! Okay, one moment. Copy image, grab that. File new image from clipboard. Oh, that's so good though. I grab that. And then Miss is over here. Great. Would you want anyone to make a Sans vs. Nera? Kind of like what happened to Riggy? It would be interesting. I'd be curious to see if there's like any beloved animators in the audience. It's a lot of work though, so I would always remember that. Animation is not easy. Grab that. There we go. Miss. Straight from the source. Oh, that's cool though. Miss. Boop. Import new asset. Miss. Okay, let's see. Where did it go? It went over there. Oh, that's so cool. That's so cool. We're making progress. Woodlands? Yeah. Triforce Heroes music. Very rare. Good playlist. Good playlist that they're putting that. Just Triforce Heroes wasn't the most popular game. We're gonna place it about there. Alright, then we can turn it off. We don't need that playing the entire time. Okay, let's see. Also, why is there roll call for mods? I was starting to make dinner, SMH? That's because the mods have been pretty bad about showing up. Ooh. Okay, so let's go get the miss animation. Let's see, so what is it? Public. Game. Object. Miss. Do that. And we just turn it on, and there'll be a wait, then we turn it off. And then we send the player to the next thing. I do recommend that you finish The Mandalorian Season 1 because you're on episode 5 and 6 and it seems boring. I don't know, it's been a long time since I've watched Mandalorian. If you don't like the beginning, you probably won't like the end. True, you're the only mod in chat a lot of the time? Yeah. Some of the other mods have not been as active as they used to be. It's like, I'm afraid of modding new people though, because like all of our mods we have now have been around for a long time. I don't really know who I would mod. So it's kind of tough, it's kind of tricky. Okay, let's see. So if the wait runs through, you could be a new mod? Hollow's been appearing a bit more often than recently, and you used to be a mod. It's not like I don't trust you. Act as an imposter? It says I was not an imposter. Woo. Let's see, let's drop that there. I called it miss, so that's pretty easy. Miss.set active true. Okay, let's save and let's see if it turns on. Ooh, that is all we need. Hell yeah, baby. Woo! And now we wait. Making progress though. It's all about the little things. Makes you realize how complicated games are. There's a lot that goes on. The battles are very complicated. Am I doing this the most effective way? Almost certainly not. But Toby Fox also wasn't doing that most effective way, so you know. I would want to earn your trust to get mod, just curious. Very good question. Personally, I'd like my mods to all be like above a certain age. I think that's a thing. And probably some other stuff. Then we let it play. Miss. It works. Ooh. Ooh, yes. Then we need a little set time. Now we play. Now, do you want your mods to be? Probably like 16 or older. At least. At least, you know? I feel like, look, I'm gonna be real. Legal adult, I think adult's probably the best. Because I'm gonna be honest, I probably have to tell the mod stuff privately, like on Discord and stuff. And I'd rather not be talking one-on-one with children. I don't mean to be offensive, but like, you know, I think I have valid reasoning, right? I think the mod should be experienced. I don't really care too much about experience, they just need to be mature and they need to be adults and they need to not be problematic. And they also have to be here for a while. There's some people that show up for like a week, they'll be like, yo, I want to be mod. And then they disappear after like a month, you know? It's tough. You love watching people develop games or make 3D models like watching football? Imagine that. I could never do models though. Models is challenging. Just a bit sketchy for YouTubers to talk privately with kids? Yeah. I'm 12, you can trust me. I'm sorry, I'm so sorry, but 12 is kinda young. Consistency is important though, yeah. Definitely. There's people that show up, they like ask for mod and they disappear. Just copy one of our weights. I have a weight in here. Weighting's stupid in C#. I don't know why you can't like do it easily. This works out. 0.1 seconds, we can just make it longer. Boop, boop. Doo, doo, doo. Alright. What if you're 2 years old and you want to become a mod? Sorry, buddy. You have a long wait. You have a long wait. Alright, let's see. Then we can increase this to like 1F, I guess, 1 second. I think that's good enough, right? And then we can just set this back to false. Woo! And then we can do 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 do. Alright. Galaxy uses this thing called nerves. You can have it wait X frames to activate stuff through them. That's useful. Unity, unfortunately, it's not like Python where there's just like a wait function. You have to create like an entire function. You can only call waits inside of I enumerators, which have to be called by quarantine. So you need an entire function just for waiting. It's fine, but it means like if you want something for multiple times, you have to create. I mean, you could have something that passes time through it, but I don't know. We'll see. It depends on if I need other weights. You stopped being mod for a while because you got busy with education, but you're free right now? That does happen. Let's see. Hacked Mr. Beast is 12 million subs to passing T-Series. Do you think he'll pass T-Series in the next month? Don't know if it'll be the next month, but he'll definitely pass them. Doot, doot, doot. Doot, doot, doot. He'll definitely pass them. Alright. What do you rate Hack's coding out of 10? Oh, my coding is literally like a 2 or 3. Like, I am not a coder. I am by no means. What's your plan with the fan game? It's going to just be a boss battle against Nero. There'll be 4 endings, depending on whether you, Oh, I don't want to explain how to get each ending. It might be fun to, like, trial and error that yourself. But, there'll be 4 different endings. And just that. Nero's 3 out of 10, so true. Are you subscribed to Mr. Beast? I don't think I am, because Mr. Beast stuff just appears in my feed anyways. There's no need to subscribe. Alright, let me see. Does this work? It does. That's a little long. That is a little long. Might decrease it to like 0.8 seconds or something. We don't need to test if that works because clearly it does. And then we need to go back and like... Basically, I need to put this in a function. Is this gonna be a little game while you work on Pick a Game? Pick a Game's almost done. I have like one thing left for Pick a Game. Keep in mind, Pick a Game's not supposed to be a thing that lasts forever. Pick a Game is basically like if I left Pick a Game alone right now where it is, I would be happy with that. But right now there's like one more map we had to Pick a Game, and then I need to move on. I want other stuff to do, you know. There's no reason to work on Pick a Game forever. It's not like I get anything from Pick a Game, you know. It's just for fun. Oh, let's see. Okay. Yeah, so we can just copy all of this code into a function. I don't see why that won't work. And we'll just call it public intern. Public intern. Wait, why is that green? I mean, blue. I don't like that. Nera. Turn. Oh, it's public void, right. There we go. You have to leave. You'll see you next stream. Alright, well, thanks for coming as long as you did. What code editor do you use? Oh, just Visual Studio. Pretty normal one to use. Okay, hopefully this doesn't break anything. Alright, please don't break anything. Let's just go. End. Turn. Boom, boom. Boop. And we'll just do this to make sure nothing breaks. Not that. Alright. Well, this should help out, because then I can reuse this for every single action. And then we have this. Oh, it's a little bit different. That's fine. We can just turn on the little things that are different manually. So then we can do intern at the end of that. Oh, not that. Okay, let's see. Woo! Does it work? Does it work? Does it work? Time to see. Please run. Please run. Oh, I saw the freaking miss on the screen. That doesn't matter. I was doing coding anyways. I always forget. Alright, let's see. Yeah, it's not like we're dying to get mods anyway. We don't really have, like, naughty people in the chat, like, doing bad things. We only have 29 people. It's usually the same few people every time, so it's not really a big deal. Okay, let's see. Does it work? Okay, obviously there's some stuff we need to fix, but the idea does work out. Okay. Huge. Huge. Are you still gonna do your homework? You promised you'd do it earlier. Yeah, I need to do my homework, yeah. Yes, HoloQ would be a very tyrannical ruler. Yes. Truly what this economy needs. Okay, we have things working. We just need to set things right. How do you meet Royal Parent? Was it through YouTube? No, I met it in elementary school, in person. Shrimple is that. Okay. Woo. There's a fan game called Create Your Frisk that lets you make your own Undertale fan battle, which uses Lua. Well, see, I'm trying to get more experience of game design altogether, so that's why I'm building it from scratch. Yeah, I imagine there's a lot of tools for doing this that's a lot easier, right? Or hell, you could just mod the game, which would also be a lot easier, but I'm building it from scratch, and I'm trying to get practice, that's why. It's just my own little personal project, just for fun, you know? Don't you just create your Frisk? Well... Ooh, ease what it is. I'm trying to do my own thing. It's not that great. I mean, anything's as great as you want it to be. If you build from scratch, it's as good as I can make it. It's not gonna be perfect, but like we're getting good progress. Okay, let's see. There's all that. Let's get all this. We don't want intern there, do we? Go back. That was working fine. Like, what's your favorite anime? Konosuba. Let's see. Whew. When did it run intern? It ran it back here. Okay. So I should probably delete all the other stuff there then. Okay, we just gotta work on that. We just gotta keep on going. Do you watch One Piece? No, I do not watch One Piece. Which coding language do you use? This is C#. This is the language Unity uses. Although I'm familiar with several languages. How do you get member? You either get gifted it or you buy it. Shrimple is that. It's 99 cents. Okay, Where is this? What am I looking at? What was I doing again? Right, I needed to turn off these things. Turn off battle thingy, and turn off the little bar at the end. Right. False. We want to turn off the... What is it called? The miss? Oh, we already turned it off. Okay. What happens? Okay. You're doing Duolingo so he won't kidnap your family? Imagine getting kidnapped. 2 years ago, 2 weeks ago was Johnny Razor's second year. Damn, I've been on YouTube for a while. I haven't been making content actively, but I've been on YouTube for a while. Ooh, I could have been further, maybe, maybe not. We'll see, we'll see. Okay. So it makes a little noise inside of the intern. I don't like that. That is bad. You used to have Unity, but you accidentally installed it. When you tried to install it again, it took hours. Oof. Rip. Don't know what to say. Maybe try a different version. I don't know. So we're going to move the audio from that. Stick the audio actually into the thing. Okay. Let's see. Compiling. Try to get Unity on your crummy laptop and it didn't download. You need at least some computer for it to work on. Like if your computer is like a toaster, it's not gonna run. Like I mean, it's still a game making program, right? You need something. But ooh, it happens. All right, let's see. Miss. Oh, the bar's still there. Right, I have to turn that off. Doesn't work on the second try because we don't reset the bar. Right. Okay. Woo. Actually, how do you become a member? Right next to the subscribe button. Hold on, I can show you. Okay. So you're like, how do you become a member, right? You go, and right next to, I need a channel I'm not a member to. Does CDOT have members? Yeah, CDOT does have members. Right next to the subscribe button, there is a join button. You would click that, and then you would click join, and boom, that's how you get member. Keep in mind, member costs money. My membership is 99 cents. So you can set your own thing. I don't know how to I can't show you on my channel because it's my channel. I can't show you on a channel I'm already a member on because it just says see perks. Oh, but that is how you get member. Does C-Perks tell you the price? No, it just looks like that. Yeah, there's all of our beloved things. You don't have that? If you don't have that, you're either set to as a minor. I think if you're under a certain age, they don't allow you to do it because it costs money. I think the other option is that you also have your account set as a brand account. If you set your account as a brand account when you set it up, brand accounts can't have a member either. Those are the two things I can think of. You and your cheap membership set, you're gonna get sold out. Well, you can have as many as you want. I want to encourage people to have my emojis. I'm not here trying to make money. I'm not full time or anything. I think people should have my emojis. I think my emojis are fun. Ooh, shrimple was that? That's not too bad to ask for, right? Alright, it didn't actually turn off this for some reason, right? It was still there afterwards. Oh. No, it's not that I need to turn off. It's the little movie thingy. What was that called? Battle Slash? Yeah, Battle Slash, yeah. Woo. Let's see. Battle Slash set active. So after we do that, we set Battle Slash to false. We also need to set Battle Slash's position back to its his original position. Because otherwise it's going to stay on the right side the entire time. Okay, let's see. We're making progress though, we're making progress. I'm making this in 3D space? Technically, the entirety of Unity is in 3D. Like, technically it is 3D, but it's 2D? It's weird. Technically it is. Like, I think if you click this button, yeah, it is technically in 3D space. This is a weird way to look at it, but every Unity game is technically rendered in 3D. We just force the view to be 2D. Ooh. It's just the way the engine works in the background. It doesn't affect anything. But technically anything you use that, yeah, that's how it works. So if you wanted to add like a 3D gimmick to the battle, you wanted a 3D attack, you fully well could add it. There's nothing stopping you. Now, would you want to know? That's so cursed? Yeah, every single Unity game you play, that's how they run. Every single one is technically 3D, even if it's a quote-unquote 2D game. It'll be harder in Air Pacifist than Air Genocide. The Genocide will be harder. And that's what's fun. So if I know the 3D model, I could add a thing where like she brings in a 3D attack. That would be very hard. I mean, it probably wouldn't be crazy. Maybe if I can make like a simple narrow cube she attacks you with. The narrow cube. I don't know. Not impossible. I imagine moving a 3D object would be the same as moving a 2D object. It would just look very out of place. But maybe that'd be fine in like a harder one. Use the UI slider for the attack bar with a min value of -1, max of -1, and then multiply the base. That kind of works out. I'm kind of just manually doing it. I'll have like little hitbox. Among Us is a 3D game? Technically, yes. Technically. Which is really weird to think of. It just means if you wanted to add a 3D element to it, you could. Okay, so what was I doing? Right. We turned that off. I needed to position back. How old is Bundun? I actually don't know how old Bundun is. I don't know. 3D Among Us VR? There is 3D Among Us. It's literally called Among Us VR. /dot. Let's see. Ooh. Yeah, I actually have no idea how old Bundun is. That's such a strange thing. Minecraft is 3D? No way. 40 Among Us? Real. The 4th Among Us. The imposter was Among Us the entire time. Wait, no, that doesn't make sense. The imposter was all around us. The imposter was the friends we made along the way. Wait, shoot, that's all still things that happen in regular Among Us. Shoot. I guess Among Us really was for D already. Okay, anyways, I just need to grab the position of the original one. Oh, frick, it's weird. It's weird. Hold on. I need to get it out of the canvas for a second. So it's -2.846. -2.8. Close enough. 846. And then the Y value should be the same between both of them. Can you ask if Bundun's the oldest? I don't know. An attack referencing Pika game? Maybe. We'll see. We'll have to make a lot of attacks, so. Right now we're just trying to get the basic stuff working. We need an Among Us AR game. We need an Among Us ARG, where there's a real person that murdered someone, IRL, and you have to track them down. No way. The Among Us ARG. Okay, let's see if that works. I think Bundun's like 27, but I haven't confirmed. It wouldn't seem too off, right? Alright, now let's move that back in there. Alright, what's gonna happen? Woo! The Among Us SMP so true. That just got Murder Mysteries? No way! They made Among Us at IRL? Does it work again when we attack again? Wait, why did Nara's health go down? Hold on. Is Nara's health still tied to our health, or did I forget to change it? Is it still at 250? Alright. Okay, I didn't break this right. Yeah, it still works. Okay. That's good. Oh, Nara's still... This attack's a little glitchy for some reason. I'll need to work on that later, but it works. Oh, that's so good. And can I do this attack over and over? Ooh, will you be releasing this game afterwards? Yes, definitely. Oh, it would be so awful to create a project and then not release it, right? Definitely. It's for the people. Yeah, I think her health is just... I just forgot to change it back, right? Yeah, it's at 250. Yeah. interesting. It's working though. It's working. We have things going on. Yeah, it's at 500, right? Yeah, she's kept out. Okay. Okay. Fight 1 is like actually almost done. We just have to make it the little clicky thing done. Actually, get Dark Souls on the Switch or wait until you get a computer and get Elden Ring instead. Elden Ring's probably a better game, but Dark Souls, I think it's worth playing Dark Souls now. So you'll be ready for Elden Ring. Oh, dude. Oh, dude, we're actually getting stuff to work. Oh my god. Holy shoot. Dude, we almost had the attack button working. Then we can start murdering. Dude. Oh, we made a lot of progress. We made a ton of progress. Oh, that's so cool. That's so crazy. Oh my god. I love gaming. Oh. Well then. Let's maybe go get the final part done. The final part's the actual clicking on the boss. Ooh. Can't wait to play another Undertale game. It'll be a quick little game. So for the fact you're making child dreams come true, you just sit down and say, I want to do this, and then boom, you do it. We gotta get all the little mechanics done. We have to get fight done, act, item, and spare done. And then after that, all that's left is just the tax. It's a little bit more than just that, but I'm simplifying it so that we have a goal. We just need a goal. We just gotta get the simple things done. Attack should be the most complicated one. Ooh. Item will also be a little complicated. Act should be easy. So we just gotta keep on going. Okay, so that's how we miss. So now we need something if we actually press an attack, we escape. And what are the channel guidelines you need to know? Be a good person. Will there be an outside battle? No comment. Let's just say most of the battle will be the actual battle, but there may be something outside of the battle. You'll have to find out. Ooh, that's for you guys to see. Okay, so now we need to set it up. So I think you would just do a return, right? Or we can start a new function, right? We want to break out of the loop into something else. Or I can just set it inactive and summon a new object at the location of that, and then that object flashes. There's several ways we would do this. Put down Kiku.z. Yeah. So if we do that, let's just kill the battle slash. And we'll work with the new object. I think that's probably the easiest way to do it. With the way I have like everything set up. Battle slash dot set active. Oh my god. You gotta go, you might come back later if you're still streaming. Bye, goodbye chat. Thanks for coming as long as you did, bro Chacho. Maybe we'll have this stupid thing done, but then. Okay, so let's see if that even works. Or there's something issue. There shouldn't be an issue. We should be able to press that. The boss bar starts expanding out the screen. Imagine. I can't believe Tears of the Kingdom did that. That was so fun. Alright. Let's see. It does kill it. Okay. So. We need to break, right? Or we summon a new function. Did you watch a show called Lego Ninjago? I've seen Lego Ninjago. I watched it back in the day. For some reason, watching a code makes you feel at peace. It's just so simplistic. It should be. Nothing's complicated, right? I think. Well, what I'm showing here is that anyone can learn to code. It's like none of this is like effectively complicated. We're just really using functions and if statements and enumerators. All right, Lego Chima. Oh yeah, I forgot about Chima. Ooh, I think Ninjago is better in my opinion, though. Let's see. I think you should watch a show called Made in Abyss. I've heard of it. It's about the people that go in the abyss, and it's like about children and like really gruesome thing. Yeah, I've heard about that. I think it's that show, right? Okay, so we turn it off, and then we're gonna summon a new object at the location. So let's see. I was joking, don't watch it? Real. Public game object battle / 2. Okay, we'll just call it that. It works. If it works, it works. What else are we supposed to call it, right? Oh, Hack, you're so bad at coding, but if it works, it works. If it works, it works. Yeah, let's just activate a new function, then just escape this one. So we can just... public deal damage. Oh, wait, it's public void, right? Go in. So we do deal damage. Okay, there we go. Now we can return this. So we escape that. Ooh, similar like HackedCrusade. You're not the only person that said that. That's the weird part. That's the weird part. Okay, now on this deal damage, so where we actually can deal with that. So, we're gonna do... Where is it? I think I can just copy the instantiate code from here. Yeah. We can just do that. Ooh. Ooh, mobile support win? No. No, why is everybody asking for mobile support? It won't be on mobile. I'm sorry. Undertale's not a mobile game. It's not gonna work. It's all the things are being hard coded for this. Apologies. Battle / 2, right? Ooh, sorry. It is going to be on PC. Because that's where I can test and all that stuff. Alright, then we set the location to that. Okay, let's see. What about Nintendo? I can't put it on Nintendo. If you put it on Nintendo, I'm gonna be sued because I don't own Undertale. Then make Pika game for mobile? I've tried explaining this. There's a whole host of hoops if you put Pika game on mobile, but basically put less than half of you would be able to even like access it if it was on mobile. Keep in mind, I wouldn't be able to put it on the Google Play Store or the App Store, right? And I wouldn't be able to put it on Apple at all. Basically, it would have to be only on Android, and you have to sideload it. And at that point, you've just lost like already over 90% of the target audience. And I think it's not worth it because ultimately I want to move on from Pika game as well. So there's not much point to put it. So I'm sorry. There's like a bunch of things like that are like in the way. I think it just ooh, it's not as simple. If I owned the characters, I could literally just put them like on the App Store and Google Play Store, and that would be the difference. Like I could theoretically put Nara game on the App Store and Google Play Store, but there's no reason to because Nara game sucks. Oh, it doesn't suck, but it just nobody's playing the game for Nara game, unfortunately. All right. Nerd game number 1 though. I wish. I've seen one person. I've seen multiple people play Pika game, right? I think I've seen one person actually play like Nara game that wasn't like Para Wilnut because like obviously they don't really count. I once saw a VTuber play Nara game once, and they were playing Pika game first, but they were like, "What is this?" And obviously them being a VTuber, It makes more sense for them to play their game. Strike doesn't exist, right? Wait, do I even have to label it? Yeah, I do if I want to exit it. Shoot. Another game out there for real, the VTubers. Honestly, I wish there was a VTuber in the community. VTubers are kind of goofy. Ooh, VTubers kind of goofy, not gonna lie. I don't know if I'm doing this right, but if it works, it works. Like Narrow Game better, but the Narrows don't turn? Because Narrow Game is an older version. Narrow Game is older, right? So it's just not a feature in that. Think Narrow would make a good VTuber? I don't know. I don't know what Narrow sounds like. I don't have a voice actor or anything for her. Okay, let's see. You're gonna eat a taquito? I'll be right back, have fun. Okay, so that summons that. Let's see what happens, out of curiosity. Can I return a value from an iterator? Oh, I was supposed to break. Okay, that's fine. We can fix that. Break. Boop. Do you think Bundle Stream might get a smidge more subscribers and viewers from the stream due to the fact that Sambusha has 10 million subs? I'm thinking his tournament will do very well. Wait, Hack, do you remember the streamer who played Narrow Game? Yeah, I do. Hold on. Let's share. I do because I subbed to them afterwards because I was like, oh, that's nice, that's sweet. So it is. Where are they? Them. Mushroom Lady. 8.7. That's not bad. Mushroom Lady. Let's go. How long ago was it? It was a bit ago. Yes. So every Suika game clone. Alright. And Mushroom Lady right here. Played Narrow Game. Let's go. See? See, I'm not lying. You
say that like somebody who understands.
Mushroom waifu, imagine. Anyways. Yeah, so I do remember. I know exactly who played it. I'd never forget. That is a core memory. Alright. Narrow Game. Let's go. We need more people to play Narrow Game. Real. Ooh, see, if y'all played Narrow Game, maybe you would be shown on stream. But no, only Mushroom Lady. Let's go. Well, they added jiggle physics to their VTuber? Hell me, oh. What are you supposed to say? That's why I make games. I make games so random mushroom women can play them. Let's go, baby. That's what game making's all about. That doesn't work. Hold on. You'll play Narrow Game? Real. Just gotta turn yourself into a mushroom man, and then maybe I will shout you out as well. Let's go! Undertale, fight, unselect. Let's see what happens. What's gonna happen? Is this gonna be good or bad? Do I need to make a separate object? No, it doesn't work. No. Has anyone else had like VTubers been your recommend for like 3 months and just appear? Yes! Yes, I have! VTubers used to be in my recommend for a bunch, and then like all of a sudden they died out. It's like, I guess the VTuber trend slowed down, and I guess the people who watch VTubers now are like only watch VTubers. That was the original short streams you got recommended? Not even bad. VTubers aren't even that bad. I have no problem with VTubers. I just watch flesh people over them. Nothing wrong with them. Like I said, I think it'd be fun if there was a VTuber in the community, but not much I can do about that. Let's see. Well, back here right now, you're downloading Unity, but an old version, like the 2019 editor. That should be fine. You have like 99% of the features. Shouldn't be a problem. Let's see. What are we doing? What are we doing? So break didn't work. So break still plays that, which is kind of unfortunate. So break just breaks out of the while statement, right? I wanted a return. Why did it not like return? Do I need to return a value? I want to break outside of the entire function. Can I return a value from an iterator? Use the yield return statement to return a value. Is it yield return? I don't know. Maybe. Expression expected. We'll just do what that one does. Yield return null. Seems like a good idea. See if that does anything. Right now, what are you working on the fan game? I'm trying to get the attack working. The little thing when you press attack and have it actually work. You like when VTubers behave normally instead of playing up a character? Well, I think there's nothing wrong with playing a character, right? Nothing wrong with that necessarily. I still just miss. No. I want to break out of the function. How do I do that? Because if I let the function play the entirety, it misses. But I want it to leave. Normally you would just return, right? But since we're in an IEnumerator, we can't just return. The enumerators just play till the very end, right? Yeah, they do. Well, I could make it set a value. It's not really a big deal. Oh, no, it just makes things complicated. I mean, we can fix it, just... Oh, my God. I hate coding. I love using things that you make yourself, but like, oh my God. There's like 2 ways we can do this, and it's just annoying. Let's see. I do think that Royal Pair and the others should do a collaboration with Jack Sucks at Life. I think there's a chance they'll probably meet each other at one point. One day. I'm sorry, I'm really quiet. I'm trying to think. This is a puzzle. A really stupid puzzle. You didn't know the music playing? Oh, is it really? Is it that quiet? Sorry. I'll make it a little bit louder. Oh, I didn't realize it was that quiet. Apologies. Okay, let's see. I could set a value here, and then we need to fix, right? Yeah, we set a value, and then we work with that. Question mark? Why did the music just pause? Is this YouTube saying, continue, video pause, continue watching? Yes. Yeah, thank you, YouTube. He said, it's been a while, remember you? Yes, I do remember you, Gaby64. We're working on Undertale fan game, right? Been a little bit, but yo, I never forget. As long as you're like active enough, I won't forget. So we need a way to leave like this entire thing. I just search it up. What if I do yield break? Ooh, interesting. Let's try that. Yield break. What does that do? Let's see. Does that end or does it still play the miss? It's clearly proper syntax, so something's gonna happen. I don't want it to do miss. If it does miss, that means bad. Greetings, yo, what's up, Swaggus? Welcome to stream, Bochacho. Alright, we just want to see if it works. Woo! And oh, that's what I wanted. Okay, great. Okay, you're currently working on developing your own video game? That's fun. This is technically the second thing I made. The first thing I made was a Pika game. That's already free to download. Ooh, just gonna keep on working though. And do you think Dano will be the first to pass Jack Sucks Life and subscribers? Probably. Dano's probably the fastest growing in the Short Wars community. So, if anyone would pass him in the Short Sports community, it would be Dano. Especially once Dano gets Twin Turf down. Alright, so plans? Right now? Okay. Let's pause and show. So, right now the plan is to get the fight button working, the spare button. Okay, fight button's like the main thing we've been working on this stream. It's like a quarter of the project. Act and item aren't even set up to work at all. Mercy already works fine. Fight's in progress. That's what we're spending our time with. If you do miss works fine. I already got miss working. And then the battle itself works. We already got the battle mechanics working, so things are going well. Things are going well. Alright, then I also spare, and that works. So we're making progress. We have plans. We gotta get these things done, and then we can focus on some other stuff. Alright, so things are going on. Trebuchet ammo, do not spam the empty space. So that's the plan, that's the plan. Finish that, finish that. Woo! Alright, so good stuff though, good progress though. We're making our way downtown. Pretty good, we've gotten some stuff. It's not impossible. Clearly what we have going on is working. Okay, so I got this to work. Now I just gotta get the deal damage function. Okay, let's see. We're making progress. We've made progress. We've made progress. I need this fight button. This fight button was one of the hardest things to get done, and we're doing it right now, and that's literally the most important part. Okay, let's see. You're making fun of all the major people in this chat? The people who send the most comments? Real, that's fun, that's fun. Alright, let's get this the same size, so I'll put it in there. So it's 85. 85. Okay. Now we just want to put /black. And we can just drag it into there. Then we can delete it from there. Okay, great. Woo! Let's see. Control S. Now let's go back to fight that. And let's see what happens. Will it work now? Will it summon that? Please, please, please. Do you like bagels? Bagels alright. I have nothing against bagels. Don't eat bagels very often, but they're not bad. That was not right. Alright, let's try again. Hold on. Okay. Will it work more like will it not? So true, bestie. Okay, let's see. Fight. What was the whoa! That is not right. Okay. Very cool. Jesus Christ. Just like the stream and join the Discord server? Yo, thank you, appreciate it. What the frick was that? It just created the gigantic, it just made it gigantic, okay. I don't know where it is, and quite frankly, I don't want to know. Okay, so it has to be 85 by 85 if it's on the canvas, but it's not gonna be on the canvas. Imagine if everyone liked the stream. So true, we have 31 people. How many likes do we have on the stream? 46, oh wow. So technically, we're already good. Ooh, theoretically, everybody could have liked it, but we have no way of knowing. Okay, let's see. Let's drag this off instead out. So 0.85. Also just make it the same. 0.85. 0.85. And then let's stick that back into where it belongs. Okay. Now we go back to fight. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, let's see what happens now. People like the stream are the Rizzlers? Don't say that. Don't say that. Does anyone know how to make a shop system in Unity? Very carefully, very carefully. Okay, I think it's being sent to the wrong layer. That's why. Okay, let's see. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Ooh. Ooh, it's working. It's working. It's working. Oh, we got the thing in. Okay. Okay. So now we just gotta get that to like, we needed a flash. And then it has to make the noise, and then we also need the slash effect and to deal damage. Okay, but it's working, it's working. Woo. What's the name of the song playing? Toad's Factory from Mario Kart Wii. Let's see. Ooh. Dude, we're actually cooking. Whoa. Hi, what's up, Trebuchet Edmo? You're back. What does prefab mean? Okay, so prefabs are basically like objects that you already like created. They already have like their own rules or anything. So this is a this is the player heart, right? This is a Nair enemy. And you summon them whenever you want them to do stuff, right? Basically think of it as an object. Like if you put a Goomba into Mario Maker, that's a prefab. You already made it. He's already fully programmed, right? And see, like these are new ones I just made right now, but like they're fully functional. I could put more than one at the same time. You can put one. Prefab's basically like an object that you can summon at will. So if I want another Nera, if I want another heart, you know, I can always place them down again. And it's very useful if you need to bring things in and out of the scene. You make them a prefab so you can summon them. Alright, so it's like a player and enemy? It can be a bit more. Here's an object. Here's another object. This is lightning, right? I can touch that one. And it'll deal damage, you know? It's however you want to make it. Like, technically a block from Mario is also that could also be a prefab, you know? If I touch this, it deals damage, you know? See, our health went down. So prefabs can be basically whatever you need. They're whatever you want them to be. This is just how I use mine. And they can be summoned at will or deleted at will. But you don't lose anything. They're basically an object, right? What's a little Nair at the left serve for? On the left? Oh, somebody was just asking how prefabs work. And prefabs are very important to like, it's important to learn how they work because they're important. Alright, let's see. I can need the double amount of subscribers that you currently have until you pass Nintendo Portugal. We'll beat Nintendo Portugal. We got it, we got it. Eventually. I need to put the two sprites into there. Alright, public sprite. White. Public. White. Black. Boop. Alright, let's see. Now we have those assigned. Well, we have those created, not really assigned quite yet. Now I go back down. Now I can turn them back on and off. So slash dot. Is it sprite render? Hold on. I gotta find another thing where I use it. Yeah, I think I'd probably do dot sprite window dot sprite. I could just do this as well. Okay, let's see. We're making good progress though. Good stuff's going on. Back in here. I'll have to make a new thing for this, but that's fine. Ooh, okay. Wario Mountain? Mount Wario is so good. Mount Wario is very good. Okay. So then we do that. Doom, doom. And then we can do splash bright dot black. I forgot how many times it does it. For Waluigi Pinball. Waluigi Pinball is really good too. Alright. Although everybody says Waluigi Pinball. Do you know Waluigi's Pinball theme was already in Mario Kart Deluxe, 8 Deluxe before they added Waluigi Pinball? You'd be like, really? What it was? Everybody calls it Waluigi Pinball, but do you know it's actually the Wario Stadium main theme? It just so happens that Wario Stadium and Waluigi Pinball have the same theme. Whoa, no way, no way. It's funny though, because it's funny, because like so many people associate it with Waluigi, but it's kind of a Wario thing when you think about it, because Wario's used it more, right? I don't know. And then we can just use the miss weight for now. It's not really a big deal. Actually, no, we cannot just use miss weight. We need our own weights, because miss weight does a bit more than just that. I like the DS version though. DS version is very iconic though. I think 0.1F is good enough, right? Alright, we're making good progress though. The dash really is double. Mario Kart Double Dash is such great music. I didn't even grow up playing it. I haven't even played it yet, actually. The music is just so iconic though. I think it's some of the best music in the series. The YouTuber music? It's just good music, man. Alright, let's see. You heard this theme a lot because another Mario Galaxy modder is making Mario Kart Double Dash in Galaxy? That's fun. That's very cool. Alright, let's see what happens now. Will it flash? Will it broke? Oh, I forgot a semicolon. Goofy me. Wait, where did I forget it? 311, okay. Oh, I did. There we go. Oh, I also need sprite renders. Splash sprite, right? Slash sprite. There we go. Okay, let's see. Alright, does it work now? One group is talking hack, another group is Yoshi and Bongicha, and the third one has been hoteling. Damn. If only we could like split chat into different rooms, so I know who was actually talking to me. Alright, it's loading though. Hi again, yo, it's a B-boy. It's loading. Oops, sorry, I'm being texted for a lap partner. Sorry, I gotta do that. Okay, there we go. Okay, let's see. Do I need to do anything? Fight select. Low power mode? Oh, my phone's about to die. Alright, when my phone dies, maybe I'll end stream. Actually, no, let's get this done. Let's finish this. We'll just see, we'll see. Slash sprite. Why in black? I do need to put the sprite in there. Okay, hack when you're graduating college in December. It is not flashing, that's bad. Oh, maybe I won't finish this today. I do have some homework I need to do after this. It's gonna take a little bit. Okay, so it stops, it summons it, and then it's not actually doing this. Do people know how to code in C#? I mean, I kinda know, but like I wouldn't say I'm a professional. I've never took a class or anything on it. Oh, in C++ I've done in school. Hold on. Being texted. Alright, back you go. Sorry about that. Very important class thing I have to do. And partner is kind of no, it's the bad partner I had in the past, so like yeah, it's kind of ooh, oh well. I kind of need a partner for this, and it's better than going alone. Why is this not going? Do you feel ready to graduate? I'm so ready to graduate. I need to get out here. The thing is, once I graduate, I need a job. That's the issue. That's the hard part. Oh man, that's the hard part. Is there a tutorial anywhere? No, I took a class in C++. It's gonna be hard to get into. It's simple to start, but C++ has some like complicated features, especially to prevent your thing from like crashing. Garbage disposal and a lot of that stuff. Okay, why is this? What was I doing wrong in there? Okay, let's watch. Let's see what happens. Run that. Oh god. Okay, run. That. It's at the white the entire time. It doesn't change sprites. That's bad. Why is music hard? Because it's a art, just like everything else. Simple as that. Yo, what pre-cure kit does she draw? Cure windy or cure honey? Honey. Honey's tastier than wind. So true. Alright, I never watched the show, but I imagine. We'll go with that one. Let's see. We watched an animation to see if Hacked is hacking. There's no animation, it's the thing's not working. I put the sprites in, right? It doesn't say there's any issues, right? That's the issue. The issue is when you have no issues. What is she saying? How are we gonna make a digital version of the EMG? What is my partner saying? What? I don't know. I just gotta keep on going. What do you use to make your sprites into a game? I just email drawings from your iPad on the computer? Bro, I use Photoshop. Emailing them, that's a bit complicated, but whatever. I use Photoshop. Oh, shoot. Sorry, I have a class thing and she keeps talking. Oh, it's for good reason, but like, Okay, let's see. How do I go about this? Why is it not changing? That's the issue. That's always the issue. I'm calling the function, right? Yeah, we call the function. Yo, is she talking about minors? No. God. Oh, trying to focus. There's too much stuff going on. There's chat, there's the music, there's the game. Yeah, maybe it might end it off for the day. But if I don't finish what I'm doing, I'm gonna forget. That's the hard part. That's the hard part. I'm locked up the chat. We need a new mod. We do need a new mod. You gotta chill. You gotta chill with the Yoshi thing. I don't know who added the Yoshi command. I didn't add it. It was one of the mods, and I don't think they foresaw how bad it would be. Will Nat please help? Will Nat, if you're lurking, this is your chance to be a hero. Okay, so we're summoning this. Oh, we can try doing a debug.log to see if it's even working. Hack remove the Yoshi. I don't know how to remove the commands or add them. That's the thing. I didn't make them. What do you need? Well, Nat, can you move the Yoshi command? The people are being kind of weird with the Yoshi command. Thank you. Is it possible? Do you know how to remove commands? What's the Yoshi command? It's not important. Woo. So what was I doing? Oh yeah, debug log. Is this working? Yes. Classic. Let's see if that works. You're being inappropriate with the Yoshi and Wiper command? Real. How to remove? I don't know, that's the thing. I wasn't the one that added the commands. These are all added by other mods. LVO. Look at the command list. Yo, awesome TMC on it, real. There you go. People being kind of weird. Can't have nice things. Actually, it was never a nice thing to begin with, honestly. I want to see if anything gets pumped up to the D-log. That is the most important thing. What's everyone's plan for the summer? Get a job. Suffer. Make money, maybe? Maybe, perhaps, perchance. Alright, let's see. It's gonna work now. Well, I don't need it to work. I need to see if it does it. Okay, it is getting sent to the debug, right? Interesting. So, this is running. This is getting here, just not changing the sprite. Oh, God, good God. Okay. Well, that doesn't help me out. It helps me both and doesn't. So we know this is actually running, right? The sprite's just not changing. Let's see. Put on getting a job also? Yeah, job's important. Need money. Need job experience. Ooh. I assigned sprites, right? I don't know why it's not working. I love programming. Let's go. I love when the thing doesn't work. One day. Possibly it's acting like a kid? Yeah, kinda young. Not gonna lie. Okay, let's see how this works. I doubt it's not gonna work. But I want to see what's going on. So it changes the sprite, definitely. Is it just running so fast? I have it 0.1 seconds per change though. That's kind of like, that's not that short, right? We'll change to 0.5 and see what happens. I doubt it's gonna do anything. It's not like the change is so fast we can't see it. But, I don't know, this is weird. Wait! Oh, dude, I'm an idiot. Might also get rid of the bonk man for now, maybe. Come here, 22 or 21. Scythe that's lying? No way. Crazy. I mean, I don't know. Could be misremembering things. You never know. Alright, let's see. You have nothing in Chicago. Yeah, I can't have nothing in Chicago. So real, so real. Alright. Maybe disable Nightbot? That'd be a shame. Ooh, it would be a shame, but alas, it is what it is. It might just be running this very quickly. Yeah, see, it's white right now. Because it's not actually changing. We just Nightbot so we can gamble? That will cause lag and make this take longer. How did I do this in the past? Like that. Honestly, we can shove this all in there, can't we? Shove that all in there. That'll work out. Ooh, do 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 do. Start core team. Do that. Stick that there. Miss weight. No, short weight. Okay, let's see what happens now. Woo! There we go. Almost there. Why is everybody just using the Nightbot commands all of a sudden? God. Mario and Luigi Circuit, one of your favorite Mario Kart Wii themes? Imagine Mario Kart Wii? Real? Okay, let's see if it works. I'm always impressed with how people make these stuff. Team Scene Hack and y'all are impressed at what we can do. Just one of the things you just gotta learn. It works. It works. Oh, it's good. It's good. Okay, I need to see how many times it actually flashes in Undertale. So we're opening Undertale again. Let's go. Hold on, hold on. Undertale work. Alright, back to Undertale so we can see how many times does it flash. Alright, time to go murder a dude. I need to frog it. Oh my god, it flashes a lot. It flashes a lot. Oh my god, that is like a seizure. Okay, well then. Oh, smash your pass? Oh god. Imagine. Smash your pass is a curse. Act help? We're just gonna turn Nightbot off. Can't have nice things, can we? Alright, Nightbot. Goodbye. Log in. I can make him leave for now. Let's see, do we make him leave? Is that what you want? Alright, commands. How do we disable commands? We'll leave it for now. We'll leave it for now. 07 Nightbot? Yeah, we'll make Nightbot leave. At least for now, at least for now. If y'all can be good, Nightbot can come back. Alright, Nightbot's left. Say bye-bye to Nightbot. Goodbye, Nightbot. They'll be back if you're better. Oh, people have just been spamming the Nightbot commands a lot today, you know? So, we'll just... Well, we won't worry about that for now. Okay, anyways, I gotta get back to, I gotta make this spam. Alright. So you put 1. Well, I gotta go. It was fun chatting with you. You got other stuff you gotta work on right now? I'll link to the stream to see you later. I will until you turn again, bro. Chacho. Don't do that. I think it needs to be faster. Probably something more like that, right? Half a second. It's a flash really fast. Alright, let's see what happens. Making good progress, though. Yeah, we might end soon. We've been here for a while, right? And I do have other stuff I gotta do. Do long enough nap what happened? We're still working on the thing we're doing. Woo! Okay, let's see. I can seem like such a chill dude. And in real life, I'm socially awkward. Let's go. No way. Okay. Let's see. That's almost too fast. Okay. Let's try 1 again. Let's see, is this too much or too little? Let's save that. Although this is cool. Yeah, we're making good progress. We're making good progress. Good things are happening. Alright, compiling. Let's go. Woo! Social aquarium? Real social aquarium, no way. See, if you open me up, you'll find fish made up of my my social skills. Yes, anxiety. That's a big fish. It eats all the other ones. Procrastination. Well, that's also one of the popular fish. Why did you kill Nightbot? Oh, y'all were kind of using Nightbot a bit too much in weird ways that we kind of needed to be flushed out of the chat for now. I got you with some Everondo. Ooh. How hard is it being? It's kind of, we're having fun. We're doing we're having our own battles. Okay, let's see. Pro Bass Nation, dude, I love Bass Nation, no way. Okay, let's see what's going to happen now. Fight, do that. That seems pretty good. That seems rather good. That's almost what we need. Also, let's set that back to that. Okay. Actually, we can put them there. Makes more sense there. Woo! Let's see. Recently did Meet the Spy Reimagined with friends for a school assignment. That's fun, actually. Wow. Okay, let's see. So now it flashes. That's good. That's exactly what we wanted. Let's go check Undertale again. We need the sound effect. We weren't abusing Nightbot? Some people were. There was a person licking minors. It's like, yes. And then as soon as we do that, they start to slapping minors and stuff. It's like, okay, that's kind of. We'll just need a little bit out of that. We just need a little bit out of that. All right, heck. Oh, you're talking about Will. I almost thought you were saying heck. So we need that. We also need the noise. We also have to make them shake. Oh, there's so much you have to do. God. What game engine are you using? I'm using Unity. Okay. So we need the noise, we need the animation. Okay, we can go back to that. Woo, okay. Definitely making progress though, making progress. I also need to make a little thingy where there is it. C#? C#'s the language, yes. Okay, so I need a little animation where we do that. Great. It's fine, we can work with this, We're making good progress. Save. Okay. Woo! Now there's so much, but once you get it done, it's done. You can reuse a lot of the code for everything else. Guess who's back again? Welcome back. Yo. Learning Unity? Unity is a good thing to learn. It's a lot of the fundamentals apply to everything else. Okay, let's go get the sprite. Art. What's the battle song gonna be? I have some people working on a custom song, so I'll see how that goes. That will be fun if that's the case. Do you know that Papyrus doesn't move an entire battle? Yes, I am aware of that. Papyrus is my man. And if he doesn't want to move, he doesn't have to. Where is it? Okay. So we need to make a little damage animation that we can like move around. Alright. It's not done, this is a placeholder for now. I'll do the most of the art later on. Okay, so how much do I need to decrease this? How big is it? Image size. Do I have the original size one? Because this one's the gigantic one I used for that, yeah. How big is this? Is this 9 pixels being 1 pixel? We can just try. Woo! Make her do a different face? Yeah, that's a plan, that's a plan. Is this the right size? No, some of the detail was lost. It was too small, so it's not 10%. Percent, 15 maybe. Do, 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 do. Yeah, that looks about right, right? I can't actually tell. That seems right, okay. Ooh. Hold on. No, it wasn't. Oh, it wasn't right. Shoot. Image resize. It was around 15. It's 15 sold the 1x1. But some of the things were bigger. No, that's too small. Ah, it's hard to get it back to the right size. Back, could you let the stream play while you work on your game? Discard your... Well then, thanks for staying as long as you are then. Alright, let's see. Forgot what I made the original size of this. I think it was like 64 tall. I used some sort of papyrus sprite as reference. Strength proportions, we'll do that. This would be 64, I think. Let's see what happens. That's way too small. Okay. God. Shoot, I forgot what the size of this is. It's hard to edit it if I don't know the size. Well, I can just get a brush then. If it's possible, a square brush. That's like, how big are these now? Like 9x9? 1, 2, 3. No, they're a bit bigger than 9x9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Looks like it's a lot of fun. I forgot the actual size of this one though. That's the thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I made it 8 times bigger. Okay. Ooh. So that'd be 12.5 then, right? Yeah. If it's 8 times bigger. Image resize, image size. Percent. 12.5. Okay. That should be the original size. There we go, that works. Great. Woo! We're drawing Flowey, just realized how complicated Sprite is. Yeah, Flowey's an interesting one. He looks really easy. But he's not. Okay. Let's get rid of all this junk. The eyeballs? Don't need the eyeballs. No. What you looking at, you know? Okay. Get black. Yeah. I think that's good. That's good. Such fat fingers. Rip, just get better, I guess. I don't know. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Okay, let's see. Now, how do we go about the mouth? Yeah! I think that's good for being damaged. Ooh. Is that the betrayal sprite? No, this is the sprite for just damaging her whenever you whack her. Woo! Might make the eyes a little bit thicker. Let's see. Is this the hit animation? Yes. Maybe make this a little bit thicker, right? How does this look? That might be a bit better, yeah. I think I might like this more. Yeah. There we go. That looks like she's being hurt. There we go. It looks a bit surprised. Yeah, she got whacked. There we go. Perfect. Yeah. More shock to me. Yeah, because she's being whacked. Woo. Are you doing like that? Yeah, it's the same. It's the same idea. It's the same idea as the shock expression. Maybe small tears. Ah, it might be hard to do tears though, because they're working pixel art. Yeah, I don't know if I can get a tear fit in there. Maybe? I don't know. Tear? Maybe remove the blush? We could. No reason to be happy, right? Let's see. Just use tiny pixel streams? No, we're not gonna mix pixels. I think mixeling looks bad. Or maybe we can, instead of doing it there, hold on. Well, we'll keep the blush gone. But, hold on. I'll tell you what you can do. You can put, oh, this doesn't really look like sweat. Let's see. Maybe put it a bit on the right side. Anyways. Looks more like a diamond. Oh, I need to be more round. That's a bit trickier. Ah. It's a bit too big then. No, make the bottom a straight line. No, that looks like a pendant or something. That's actually kind of fine. Yeah, I might go with this. It's fine. It's kind of a placeholder for now. Alright, we'll use that for now. Woo! Can we hit the last breath sans phase 3? It's a good theme, but oh, I don't want to take music requests because as soon as one person gets one, a lot of people are gonna be asking. Yeah, it looks amazing. Yeah, I think it works out. Ooh, can I add an explanation point? No, you get the idea. Don't need to make it busy, right? We change the eyes, mouth, and the that. Okay. Let's see. You're back. Welcome back, Sluggish. Okay, let's see. Woo. Okay. Oh wait, I didn't fix the size. Oh no. What am I doing? Image resize image size. Make it bigger again. Yeah, there you go. Now it's the same size as the other one. Like, why don't you use A stripe? A sprite? Because I'm not. Because I have to go. I have Photoshop already all set up. It's fine. I'm still gonna redo it later. I need to do animation stuff. It's kind of placeholder for now. I'll probably use the same idea, and I'll probably just break this sprite apart. But I still have other things I gotta do later. Okay. We take that. There we go. Woo! Hey all, Scott here. So true. Okay. Save that. Okay, so where do we go from here? You could change the normal sprite for the hurt one and shake it a bit. That's the plan. That's the plan. What's this song from? Mario Kart's Maple Tree Way. Yeah. That's the plan. That's the plan. I just gotta figure out how to get that done. Okay, let's see. So I need to access the Nera sprite now. I don't actually have access to that yet. Public. Sprite. I need both sprites. I need the regular sprite and the damage sprite so I can switch between them. Nera. Let's see. Nera normal. Public. Sprite. Nera. Damage. So, whew. Okay, let's see. Do that. What background you're using? It's the one from the Toriel battle? Yeah, it's from Toriel. That's the one we're using for now. Might make a custom background later on. We'll see. Right now, the visuals are just filler. I'm just trying to get the programming done so we can worry about everything else. Woo! Let's see. So now we have that done. We also need to access the sprite render. Sprite render. I'm in the bot thingy. People were being kind of weird with it, so we turned it off for now. I'll look sprite render. Nera. We'll just call it that. Reading the drama. So true. What am I supposed to say? I'm trying to make progress on a thingy. Okay. I need to play the little swipe animation right here, but I'll do that in a minute. Okay. Let me go Nera. That's bright is equal to Nera.damage, right? Okay, let's see. Ooh, how close are you gonna say you're to completion of the full game? Of the attack button, I would say we're probably like maybe halfway done. I don't know. Maybe less, maybe more. Hard to say. Hard to really say. Okay, let's see if we can at least change this bright. And then we'll change it back in a moment, but we'll see, we'll see. What happens now? I want to make sure the logic is at least working. Let's close this, we don't need that anymore. How long did it take you to learn code? I've been doing code in school for a while, right? Been a while, so I can't say I learned it all at once. Ooh, but I feel like if you wanted to learn it, you could learn a lot of what you need to make a game in like a day or so. I don't know. It might be hard without a background already. But you can probably learn a lot of what you need really quickly. Because most of what I learned from for Unity, I just learned from tutorials. And if I have a problem, I just search it up. Simple as that. He still hasn't learned code? I haven't learned like Gotcha code. I'm not a computer science guy, you know? And you don't need that, especially to make something like Undertale. Maybe you need something like a 3D platform with like physics and stuff. Then maybe you might need to know like Gotcha stuff, but you don't need to know that for something like this. Okay, let's see. It's the easiest language? Python's usually what they start you out with in school, so I'd start with that if I was you. Woo! Okay. So it does do that. Have you heard of Godot? Yes, I have. Oh, it works. I hear Godot runs a little bit worse than Unity, and I've already learned Unity, right? So I don't really have a reason to learn another engine. But I have heard of Godot, yeah. Let's see. Let's see. If you're repeating code, you're doing something wrong. You should never need to repeat code. Well, too bad. I am the Toby Fox. I am making free games. I'm not trying to make something gotcha that runs perfectly, you know? It doesn't need to run optimally. And a lot of things that avoid you from repeating code, they're usually more complicated. When I could copy and paste it twice, no way. You know? So it does that. I do have a little shake effect but it's for a screen shake. I wonder how much I can apply to this. How do you start learning code from scratch? My first code I learned was in school, so never really learned from scratch. A for loop is not complicated. I do not need a for loop for this though. You're good. You're good. Okay, so we can just call this like this, right? Yeah, shake duration, all that stuff. Yeah. You absolutely do? It's working fine. I saw the flashing code. It works fine. It works fine. Ooh. You heard the Pixar Masters of Final Fantasy 1 through 6? A lot of games have been made on Unity. Genshin Impact. Pokemon BDSP. Bad Piggies. All made on Unity. Unity is very popular. Very, very commonly used. Let's see. So the flashing code might be, it could be better, but it doesn't matter. It's not like it's running at all times, you know? That's the thing. If it was running like consistently, maybe it'd be different. It's a screen shake, right? Now I access that when they take damage. Let's see. I can take some stuff from this, but I don't want to transform everything. I need her to take the little vibration. That's the hard part. Getting the little shake. It's not impossible, we can do that. You need to change it all 20 times? So true, so true. It works fine though. It works fine, that's all that matters. You don't understand code at all, you're just like watching the guy eat the Uncrustable? So true. Alright, then we need her to shake. Well, we could just have her, we can have a little iteration to left and right. Hacked, we have while loop at home. While loop with stream, control C plus control V. So true. Let's go. Yeah. If I don't need a while loop, I don't need it. If it works, it works. Quite simply that. You know what? We can do a while loop. It's fine. It's fine. While. I is not inside. Okay. It's an alpha mindset hive. Yes, and I. 0. While I is less than. How many times do we run this? 1, 2, 3, 4. Like 4 times ish. Well, I is less than 4. Sorry, greater than 4. Fine. We are doing this to appease the awesome TMC. I plus. Okay. That's I greater than? It's fixed. It's fine. It's I less than. That's what we need. Yo, what's up, Pineapple? Welcome to the stream, bro, Chacho. Okay, let's see if that breaks it. It shouldn't. But we'll see. Ooh. We'll do it. Actually, just finished drawing Cure Honey. She looks good. That's great. Ooh, that's fun. Art's fun. I don't know who the character is. I think I know what Precure is. I think I've seen. I think I know what the show is, but I don't know what it looks like. Is this based on a pre-existing engine? No, we're building it from scratch. We're insane. We're rebuilding Undertale from the bottom up. No, maniac. We're literally mongrels. We're beasts. We're creatures. How much have you finished? Let's see. That's crazy, but awesome. I'm trying to get practice. That's basically why. We have spare working. We have attacks working, right? Well, attacks we're working on. We're working on the attack right now. We have enemy attacks and stuff working. Like I can touch that. I can take damage. And then this is what we're working on right now. That's not done. That's not done. But as you can see, we're getting there. We're getting places. Yeah, so. Woo. And then there's another attack as well. If I spare twice, we can see that. Oh, and I also have the miss also implemented. Miss works fine. Miss is easy. Alright. That's this. This is kind of just a sample attack. This attack probably won't be used in the game. You can spare. Bing, bing, bing. And then there's this attack, which is a little bit more complicated. I'll probably make the player blue for this. I just don't have the blue player created yet, but we're working on it. We're working on it. Alright, yeah, there you go. You just want to make your own basic RPG, but your brain's too small to understand your own code. Well, I guess you just gotta break it up into like functions, right? And then after that, all you gotta know is like just call the function, like intern, boom. We have intern function, boom. You know? Miss, wait, boom. Now we don't have to comprehend. As soon as we make the function, we only have to know what's in it. Well, I mean, what it does. Make an act that says, well, we'll make some acts. I want to get fight done. Fight's the big thing today. Okay, let's see. Okay, I need to make her shake though. That's the hard part. Ooh. Okay, how do we go about that? I need the actual game object. Frick. Because in order to move it around, you need the game object. You can't just do that from the sprite. I mean, maybe you could. I don't know how to do that. Okay, let's see. Woo! I might end soon though. We've been doing this for a while, and I do have some other stuff I gotta do. Okay, where is it? Where did I put the code? Shoot, I lost it. Right down here, right? Yeah, the attack stuff. Okay, back we go. We're just gonna go to bed. See you later. Alright, well, thanks for coming as long as you did, Hello Detective. Honestly, think code compiler should warn you about obviously repeated code. I mean, I don't know if the code compiler would know it's repeated code, right? Alright, so I need to change that to Nara Sprite. That's bright. Okay. Then we need to go to Nara. Okay, I have the screen shake effect. We can kind of like use this idea. Does that work? Does that work if I use it here? Yeah, I have to call initial position first. Woo! Does this work? Can I just call it? Also for the most basic repeated code? For some, yeah. Okay, let's see. Can this run? That's the fear. There's a part to that as well, right? Yeah, with shake duration. Yeah, so I need to set shake duration like first. Why does that keep moving over there? Go back. Go back. 1F. Okay, let's see. I can just copy that, right? That should be fine. Ooh. Keep on going, keep on going. Oh my god, my brain hurts though. How much longer are you stuck with the lab partner? I no longer do the labs, but I still have to do the stupid, I have to do a big test plan with her, and that's gonna be, yikes. I no longer do labs with her though, we're divorced. Okay. Will this run? That's the question. I'm not exactly using that. We don't need shake magnitude here. We don't need damping speed either. Okay. Okay, let's see if that works. It's almost certainly going to be an error, but we'll deal with it. If there's an error, something wrong. Use of unassigned local variable, initial position. What do you mean unassigned? We literally assigned it there. No, you also streaming tomorrow? Maybe not. I probably will. I don't think I have anything blocking me. Lots of Mario Kart music on this playlist? I think it's because we're in Mario Kart music to study works less fast. So yeah, we landed in a Mario Kart playlist. What does it mean? Use of unassigned local variable. We assigned it here and then it gets used. Oh, it's because it's not assigned. I'm actually an idiot. Yeah, no. Initial position is equal to. Never mind. Actually, I am an idiot. Yeah, it's unassigned. Yeah, no. You didn't assign a value to it. No. I just kind of copy and pasted, right? This is lowercase, right? We'll try lowercase, and if it doesn't like it, we'll capitalize it. Okay. Should work. Curious to see if this actually moves. Come on. Ooh. Long, tedious battle. But we're making a game. We're making progress. God, I can only imagine Toby Fox doing this. Okay. We got this. I'm hoping the shake will work. If the shake doesn't work, I'm gonna be still out of progress. Okay, I need to reassign something. Hold on. Fight. Okay, we try again. Control save. Okay. You all are hacked right now? So true. She moved! Where did you get your name from? I made it myself. Let's go. Oh, that's a short answer. I'm a little tired right now. Ooh, it's been a long stream, so. She moved! Just not where I wanted her to. This is supposed to be in a while. The thing is, it only moved once. That's the issue. What does the debug log saying? Oh, the debug log's outputting every single letter she says. That's every single letter she says. So, just one by one. Yeah. I'll probably remove that later, but I'm not dealing with the debug log right now, so it's not an issue. Yeah, because this was supposed to be in void update, which is continually running. And since it's not continually running, we need to put in a while. Well, we can just put the else then. The else no longer needs to exist. This will just go after the while. And that means this doesn't need to be an if, because that's kind of redundant then. Okay. Okay, let's see. Woo! Okay, so now I should run more than once. That's what it was doing last time. That's supposed to be an avoid update. There's no error with that. It's running. It's running. Let's go. Okay. Woo, my brain too dead. I'm tired too, man. I still have homework I gotta do after that. I'm so cooked. I'm so cooked. Now she's not even shaking though. What? It's running though, right? Let's see. Oh, goodness gracious. Work with me. I just need it to move. Maybe I had a delay between shakes. There isn't already. The delay should be every frame. It should be shaking until the shake goes away, which is for a second. So we'll see. We'll have to see how it looks. It says 1 frame, right? No, 1F is not 1 frame. It's 1 second. It just stored as a float. So it's not one frame. I don't know, Unity's weird with floats. You have to put an F next to it. I guess that's just C#. No, it's not moving. Yeah. So it's supposed to be 1 second of shakes, but it's not. Okay. So it did move once, and that was the weird part. Pretty common way of indicating floats. Yeah. I know if you want your float to look like an int, but you just need to put the F there, then you can do that as well. If you want to initiate as a float, like otherwise. Okay, let's see. There's another way we could do it as well. We could just make it shake by like manually moving it. Honestly, that works out. We'll just manually move it. Why not? What do I have the manual move? This. Yeah, I can just move to the left and right once, right? Yeah. That's a lot, though. Do I really need all that? Oh, this could be an easier way to do it. God, I hate coding. I wish I was smarter. I wish I was better at this. Actually, I don't, because this seems like a pain anyways. So, it's a dilemma. God, I need the shake working, then I need the... There's a lot I gotta do. I need the shake working, then I need the other health bar. Then I need the sound effect, then I need the animation, and then I need the other sound... God, there's so much you need for this. Goodness gracious, do you watch Murder Drones? Yeah, I've seen all of Murder Drones. I'm caught up right now. Yeah, you do wish you were better? Maybe. I think I might be done with the day for this. We've been working on this for a while. Like, nearly approaching 4 hours. So I might want to say we'll just be signing off for now. Woo! Alright. Yeah, we've been at this for a bit, so... We'll see. Yeah, so... It's not like we didn't make progress, it just... everything takes so long. Once we get this stuff out of the way, though, we'll be done. And that's really all that's necessary. We got the missing function working. This works fine. This is exactly how it needs to go. Maybe I might make it a little bit faster, doesn't really matter. And this is all working fine. So we have good progress, I just... Woo! And then I get to get this done. What? That's for later, Well, thank you guys all so much for going over to a fantastic stream. I'll be back again. I don't see why I can't be back tomorrow. I guess tomorrow. So until then, adios muchachos. Woo! Adios muchachos until we meet again. Bada booey, HackedCrusade signing out. God, I'm mentally drained. It's been a long day. But until then, see you around. Outro time.